use MTN data ne pɛ no ɛhɔnom no ɛyɛ service to the people nti currently awo yɛ nhwehwɛ mu a wode bɛkye corporate no you've left us in the hands of these people to still milk us whilst you continue your investigation. Honum na nkese say yehu say always a press conference now within 1 week who to data is different who your caller charge is different so
are you in a way insinuating say some judge has been bribed or any way or the other way around?
Yentumi can say bribery completely.
Or he's conspiring with the
trying to. That's what we as Ghanaians we are not in agreement.
So right now, you and I we've established.
Yempe say Domama Nunkofui. Ebekwa kwotena ho. Me ameka say obi anim party a me dom but empenyefo mutiomu nim say owe oye nipa okan ye ho eya ye ne no bon komo.
But I will try to re-establish contact with him and then we move on. Kwasi?
Many I can say yes. And I say
because the allegation I will make, wild because the psychology played by Muhammad appointees on Ghanaians.
That is the problem that I'm having. We share headline now on the two jana. Any explanation or the Mrs. Yana, I'm say entirely.
Then call back to the line. But sniper, we can say now say appointees nibi and we've established say some judge are one of these people. Which other ministries can you mention?
Container yaseme baye.
The energy ministry, ECG.
Yes.
Okay.
Me frawo kametsrawo. Sisi aye kasei. And kese some few people be. Sesenia Wontumi yachi some few people la. You name say we say you do it step by step. In some of the kind of court na they follow abeba we kan and I mean we na year. Now match no so we kan me ni we na year. I don't know ya it's established mo ama get to me say ya wia ya kwati wo ha ya wia ya see be the large Ministry of National Security for aba ye hu dollar ye hu gold ye hu fake we na enwa no press conference ya edin or ya hwehwa suspect no na akosi ho just say enyoma bi wo ho a as ordinary people are in security for kwa no okay ka sie ni a ansanya akwa say toothless dog bi jata mum na so sa jata no nitin
so the undercover wo ye no are you saying say San Crawford Bobo Mudin ministries, no, which of the ministries aside the communication ministry do you think is playing on the mindset of Ghanaians?
At first you were Jumapa Nanso
finance ministry.
Finance minister Yapanicho or ye Jumapa but Oko Hono and no ma when who I ain't papa no. Catch a Ghana for what catch ye we are all to mean catch say Psalm 15 verse 5 also the few one get problem the hour
pay your undercover then who ye our finance ministry
and no they be
been
deals are air costly
like
I say may the finance ministry ne abe last ansana energy ministry be yisika abeko finance ministry of health ombebo krono ombeye dream na so be yisika abeko finance
ministry of education so a part of the ministry
yes ombe yisika bia omubeko ministry of finance
but sniper
yes
you've been able to write but why are you not telling the people the listenership the Ghanaians wo person nipa no ehu say ministries we et say but rather mo tro mo nsem no nyina wi a mo base ye bisa mo questions that you seem to be holding on to some things. Why that?
Why that ne say One say, okay, start radio store. And then, when you are speaking, you speak and flow. So you forget law implications. Law is not normal. Until a year wo kasta no watch your custom ye. Wo ye write up sure. Wo tobu na wo hihye nyoma na what to meet the alleged in nyoma yina be frame. Until sometimes ye adwuma bi say na ye wie na ye kasa. Ye kasa mu no ye very careful because with that you are not guided. You are not thinking so much but you are just flowing. Until oh yeah, too many we are. You only put up allege. Na what do I drink bubu hua and I say call into details now when we say any no can. Ministries are here say some George in the account before I ever ban me no now a platform so my mom we na tune into mo station you know muti. What I say after I let them say I'm going to fire them. And not firing them because they've done anything wrong, but because they are shielding the criminals, allegedly. Oh, one can hear now.
Okay, so now I have now come to understand your person what shadow. Say some George, some George, the ministry is still the Akron. The education ministry is the energy ministry is the finance ministry is also doing the
defense ministry one shield the national security minister one shield the
but who are these Akron you've mentioned?
Until I'm there allegedly
allegedly who are these Akron?
Currently, yeah, can say
yes, sir.
Yeah, Ministry of National Security. Ministry of National Security. One more assorted MP. I saying President order Dampare before he left. So 1 year when you should know for report mra. You are serving us so. You will pay master no. Me ordinary person. I mean ni car, me ni moto, me ni fee, me debi so. Many will pay master no. And Katia Meton and you would to V8 to fuel. And the ball who buy to the ball who buying. I need to know who corrupted me, who stole, who robbed the future of my children, who destroyed my country, who is killing the fiber of morality, science, a war mine one. Yekas a gun and near moon story, not Ghana for no. Who is killing it? When a person reprogram it, now you fall into one structure. Who we are now we have now we call now we have a defend way now we have now we call. Who is doing that? That's what I want to know. Until your man politicians here uncomfortable with commit crimes in the country, it's the first step to reset. Building Golden Street. Now one checking the attitude of people in power, in office, in civil service. One to two railway now cotton, one to two gold in Akotong. So you are not resetting.
So Mahama is not resetting.
For now, no. You say yes, a medroom, but near yes is here, no, you're warm. No who say you're nigh. Woman say, ABA Ghana for the shut yes, a chinipa bakumi nubia, ya no more personal issues na on Becaso and one or matchy politicians. No, that's not what we want. We want proper audit and investigation and interrogation and deep into matters. Na Ghana for ye be a book to yem. Abaya to ye and 12 basa be book be cap my what the pine can one extra. But the entire Ghana to be developing. The entire Ghana to be coso, the entire year brew minum, the entire no man ko ye, the entire year call ye bobusia, the entire Anquala, Omoko de Biasto edition deno. And none of your person to us is corruption. Into reset, no, you need to first start by fighting corruption. Barely, wild, not friendly, not family, not friends. All the emotions may catch you out petrol go to your 100 cedi cry better. Now you can because they say if you are able to streamline and make corruption impossible in ministries. You the $5 million every Ministry of Health. So among concussion in Pala among classes or move in some pandemic beer. Sikano penny be until so and crime and town Palani.
Liberty FM.
You can say young quarter or what a draw. Because in Tia Casamino Case, a man for farms, me investigations on farms because me himself very soon mama will be going there. He has started 1.5 months across the whole country. Yeah, research undercover on farms. And I know my yate tikrano nti me ba port and harbor na ya be confirm wo ho me team ni bi wo ho some they will fight mama not to succeed in agriculture. The when viruses ni ekeka ho e be say agriculture nti ba hu say ya be ye adwuma no nso de bia mbema report say mo ase no no so no mo no mbesa akoyi ye sika no ma san akodi civil servant asem na making. I know you blame politicians too much, but civil servants no crown no more. Bar politicians the bar. Almost say politicians no. One they catch some SZ other one. Honorable for here, minister for here, dear. This is the way we do it. If you do no the bluff for minister so no technical idea.
It is sniper. Niawaka in Amatiwase. You are rather saying say the ministers now aba betent na hono. Womo
can try corruption
oh okay ena afi udi wo pese wo se sa niema na dan kwakufu na mamuo no eba ye no a obebu ye the sector ministers no ana ministries no niema wo mo ye a ede oka ana eka ede bre oman no eno ena wo se ministers na wo mo tete wo sesi ya no wo mo ema ganafo ehu so that the Ghanaian will know say ministry we say ministry we say, and that is what I also want to establish from you. Say you as a journalist who have done undercover all these ministries now, which you have come to realize say womo enyema womo ye no enye, for which you have mentioned to us some of the ministries. What exactly and I want to say a course wo honoma enya opese obi hu womo wi asika
enyoma bebre obi sa me say na akwaya say o pese wo buawom no mo escape
no me
school feeding program education ebi wo ho school feeding program ya ye ka say krono akoso national service krono akoso national security krono akoso ministry of finance krono akoso ministry of health vaccinations aviation baby say baby ya bibi wo ho nti wenya afena metina ti ameka ni akoso.
Okay.
The Bia Obefa Bia Bibia Kosho. What Habo Bibia Kosho.
Aram, Mamma now was a
yes. Mefana Astam say. I am pleading with all your leaders, you're pleading for. One more woman ya Quenya, yang Yaba from your leaders. A man for one in there, a man for one answer. Yan pep politics. Ya bread ni politics. I didn't two things. You fix the country and get rich, or you destroy the country and get rich. Each one of them will leave you with a prosperity that will judge you.
Okay.
You fix the country and get rich, or you destroy the country and get rich, but it will catch up with you. If it's good, you will see it. And if it's corruption, for you to get rich, you will see it.
Anna payment that's it.
And that's it.
A very sniper. Nidian Kasa, Sulemana, Arab Necao. My memfa in see her name called Prince Quisi Ampon Sans Rojao. And Quasi, Brofuna, which they when I'm suffering, you will be asked.
So, I say, no, some can say, some of the buy one, I say, I say, like NDC for no use to Adjunct Kessie, or Ghana for so. Also, I can first part of the conversation in there. To me, now I am confused. I say, Oma Maconia.
I hold now on Peso baby near me.
Oma Maconia, no, some can say, as some now or Troy as a headline, and then a Casayeno and Telly. But second part of Onem Comudi and a phenomenon who are Yankasa on wedding, or can find. Then you know, I organ had on you say, even though it's too early to criticize or praise the NDC government for now. Yes, but in him say going forward, no, and will be better than ABC. And then when the time comes, we'll be able to talk about whether it's positive or negative. Now, some of kind back one a hammer. Made him say, the course is here, no, so them can't say too early. Be a gradual process. Even if say some George in the ministry, maybe ana asla ewo, and maybe ana kind of Furiata any other way no. I believe say ya tete hon sem kitten bi nti I think on say would we be court say bia kwasi fokuo me not ya no mu na bia me sorry ya me so yes why you say into no me do court na ma anye thorough investigation na metima court ma ko lose case no eno kra na better say one fa nkokra na nka eye. And so I believe say
anu bi na ha special prosecutor so onkoko tunkudi be
Dabi okwa no lose.
Yes.
Okwa no no
and he will continue losing until say obe realizing how can
opre e was say o ya woto no bo ase esoma journalists ne other people metima ye thorough investigations and san obekọ court awakọ esa obi anim say o ye bi amfa so wako school pa o ye lawyer panyin o ye say we say ba because we lawyer na court na lose cases ah na ateso wan pra na bebu why cry bebu tell lawyer we okoko to bia no adi for any okọ dey kra ho nti o don't know when say obeje adwuma na no weja ye na later be kan ho asem. And unfortunate to hear say or say past politicians be more even though he didn't use that word, but I don't think say obi owo current government mu ebe kwa akofa virus any pest any disease causing organisms e dia back Ghana knowing very well that yatia na aduane bo kura ne kun ya studio anu mu nyina. And so our president has the mindset say obe invest into agriculture so that obi ebedidi whether food, meat, chicken, whatever. So and the all kind of it's possible. I'm a scientist. The all kind of possible kura e kwan sa you know e fa so by sa army worms on fa so by Ghana no a very big question to answer.
Okay.
You go to a very virgin land. No akwa akodo abru ho. So on say first near say continuous cropping and another side neba. But this time around you go to a virgin place yen do hoda. Odo abru na definitely one of affected abru no. And all the time you were deficit or you aduane mu yamu say I am telling you say one more the rice products apart from nidie the feeding, the feeding, the feeding, most of them on businesses now collapse.
Yes, sure.
Because now there's no feed. Ukraine can buy only do an input talk. Now they are mamuano. And are we doing good to ourselves? And I say a higher home. They make an say politics no about 2 years and like ye create idea no. And therefore as Ghanaians you say to me say ma politics and say and no be can say be also we driver ni na wose wo de ya tete petrol so dollar ko form ni anasa wose won ti ayine so a ho na ye wo office o so firi wa basa akota ade obabi fro o ka say sa san makana wa hasan so wo store na say won so ai wa jun say oh na old stock na wo wi a ene me wo store mu anya na odi o so market abeto bode Jamaica na what I say and so say ye ene ma yi a ya ye wo mo ani mu nyina ye ho beto yen because oba ni firifie no ofirifie so kwa ofirifie a enye wo duane e wo fie ni kwa na obedie obeyi ska man so nkoto ade foforo once I want e wo die so nipa na so want ne die so and therefore ni ase ye dia homa e na ehye ya kon ase ho akonfo and so
medawase
that's it I think
chairman are joining by we ko chairman ho but me nko Mr. Ka ho am kakransa Mr. Ka o kakraka muzo ano ye
chairman wa hanti I wouldn't take much time and Prince so akasa bebre but you see sene na Prince Kano earlier on na woni yenu yansem troni no e kasa no na yente ne point no asi but ahomanity too mo san bae no wo pushi no feda no e na o ma yete nkomo na woni need ne de ben asi but scary because say enema wenyu nyina koso wo mamu emre bi atwa mu yi abeduru sa beridi a ene na anoden and we see de bia ye kan na ye kan keta asese proye dream ene kankan ye no na ebo oman no for man no intimi enyina ne nanso and I think say omanpanyini John Dramani Mahama oba ye wontra ne to so sa in fact there was wo ye no o ye na won say
but one say nipa obetumi aye ne awo ye nyina ho but obi ye na dwon so be ball for ma
eno so wo ho but we see kwasi de tie ne say omanpanyo say otutu anamo bi na se ne Prince kan no won hwe ya bepepe won do obi akogina koto wure me kwa akogina koto saa se mfie nwotwe na aban bedi a won hwe mfie nwotwe no bisi untimi mfa nipa ne tum aban foforo be ba san be jan so onko ebi nsi
yeah sure
ebi asi yeah NPP
Opuni Sedu Agongo Alaji Collins Dauda and the rest
court ama abine se san abine fufure ba wo se ye hunu de mokani community
and say no grant 8 years ni
eneni asema ye kan
now 8 years di na ko gina court gina
ehwehwemu bi wo ministries ya ye nu ya bobo nyina communications finance health education aviation agriculture wo se ba bia wo na just ehu
on which is one more na air shield the corrupt people.
Yes, and also can say be can technical class no mo honom no.
Yeah, sure.
Civil servants.
No.
Omo do hu. Na na pepe no politicians na ya na omo no di anim. Eni to omo na de ya chekere ntansa ni nyina ya yakobon. Na do tene to so a ade so akọ pension no. Omo hu. Ono ade so akọ pension. Ye nyina de transfer no. Ya na transfer no. Omo na omo hu no. Enti se bibi be koso e sha se firi ho. Ansa na akọwie politician no. So enti and some of you are not anoden, but I think say minimum so ben aban no mpem fo no kakra sene yanum bi and then find this one nyina no one fama won na omutu wana mo because we cry concrete evidence here now the man will be a was to wana mo ne pa ne fan court enkodi fo then ne pa ne court a obedi nkunim wo honom na oman no de wo say oman ne saka yetimi save sika ne de boa mo oman na chechire koso no and also to me akoso oman panye John Dramani mama is about time I was here born as Ghanaians past government administration Nana Akufo-Addo can say we shouldn't be spectators younger citizens and at this time obi afin ani aya wo kan sembi say wo te kuro so na niam bi koso kuro no so na wan hwa anka na se kuro no ba wo ye de ben
e mamoefo
exactly eniti je ye nua na hu no enye ono na hu won fama aban no mu mpanyimfo mo a wo se omudi hu dwuma no omudi hu dwuma na Ghana fo nto na eba ne sen en agriculture yan kasa etimi e develop yade se ense mfude
me Kwesi cancer asem was Kwesi is a scientist in your cancer asem me yam shame
a serious issue
because sniper air cancer no na I say ye wo ebi mu a wo mo so e wo ho no mpese aban no
yes
eni so adi hunu no
omo ba aban no from because say aduane Kwesi yenya bi ni o
edi say ye wusi ye be go into agriculture na ye ko fa pest some more and be say and you develop you develop what was it and tontuma o hosisi ai and tontuma o hosisi ai what was it was also mo yakese on the omon first fed and kind we mu no a new breed of tontum and e do mo ba system
na say as an tontum mo ba mpo do mo chen shark
obeka but wo mfa yare but wo di agro so obewu
yes eniti say ye ho saa setimam for o man we mu a in fact na ya na yesa o man no ya na yesa o man na aduane a ye nyina ebedi mu aduane enso yen kakra na so assign develop pest bi no na de say ensa mesen no na aban no nyisika na aban no nyisika o mo develop sa de na o ma assign a chesika na di na de bi aban no kwa hwehiem na Ghana for bere ade de ye ho sa
a way of making government no unpopular ade e wo ho say mfa say o mesika we na odi ade ena ma hunu se bia dollar akofom petrol bu akofom ena wo san be invest e wa agriculture mu sike be ma ma ha chiripo se de o ma bibia anya de bibia akofom a wo beji din the make na what you say and therefore I was say to me ena empe kwa mi so se de be ma aba na de I am popular.
But why do we have to do that?
A negative mindset. I wa Ghana for trim.
Oh, okay.
Broni bi ani ho no mo be sa ade no. Adna mu Ghana na mu wa unim. We dey opa oba be sister good fama obi. I was kwa benkroma kan se me so nim se Ghana for na eni marketing TV na be boa yan. Akọ de coke ne Fanta ne ade de fa obi afie de fa pipe mu. Se no na ebetimi de abrabo ye me de aka se kwa benkroma anye nipa de ya na onye nipa apa de ya. Kantika obi e o tap ofie na na Fanta. Na because no na ye de dada ankrofo no mo ye den omo de eto aba am fa so de etia no and so ye nyina ye te o man mu se emfa se papa ye NDC ni asam na me kan obetima wo na ne ba na ko ye NPP ni enye the same family
and so what is mystical say
and one de teacher man no
motivational message na me ma na kwesi wutie ne kwesi e kan ya na je say motivational message na me kan wa asem na pay no say wo fie nipa kura ampo no ebetumi abofo
exactly ya dey kwan politics no ye gogoro ho asesika ye ba obi e pre ne ye ko ne ye ba ye di ho agro eko free me ho na eko senior man ho if you want ba ho if you na san ba be sika kro na na nyina die one day no waja to ho so what does it say um ko fa e wo ho you create viruses e no lab
o ma to system
na papetia gum so that the next be 8 years no udu abura enye yie udu amu a enye yie so that because akoe ba ye command ye pa na ono na ban dia ba pa very very wrong e wo ho you create no laboratory e wo ho oko abetimanya
science fu o meku ye o anapa e be fast da emfama eye density natural mineral water wo mo se ensuo nkwa ensuo ade nyinara wonya nsuo a nje se wonya nyankopon isan said ubedi aduane anom drinks ahodo nyina na emom wonya nsuo kakra mfa mmase dia oboa do ensuo wonya bia no ma wonwu die nanso so no eho ehia eno nti na me kamfo e de ma se wo se wonya nsuo na wonom na open nsuo panso anom dia eno a ene density natural mineral water babia ye nsuo yi very hygienic ye wo mfidi a ehoye kama a ye de ye nsuo yi ye wo 500 ml bottles ni bi ho ne sanso e wo 19.5 liter bottles eno nti efie anase office babia wo hia nsuo bia no dwumade bia wo hia wo edi dwumade se nsuo e wo hodo a na se bibia ko kama na wonya nsuo nso a e wo so do ni density natural mineral water ye wo super into stores weddings ahodo a ekoso engagement ahodo a ekoso outdoor ni ayiyo ni nyina no nsuo ye be hia wase ene density natural mineral water number 27 New Ridge Tanoso main road no so an ye wo Fraying 0596604743 0208466256. Chairman C boy, good morning.
Good morning.
Nabrin.
Yamiadom, what baba?
Sinian. I say.
Opesa unyeska omodia memo.
Chairman C boy. And Sabo how? Ukatuma.
Oh, menoma.
Kwasi missing anio. Chairman boy. Yeah, sure. Missing an. So time jam go the first year na or final year.
Yo.
Wow.
Mo fepa. Me mo si.
Go first year or final year. Wow. Yeah. So time if you not atina so near ba kwa jakwala kabie ni na te ko so. David. Wow. Sina anapedia waba. Enura na ye di nkomo efa shinti abo ho ene ho nsem na wi asotosi anapai obeba na odi emu nchire mu nyina ede abebo yen sa enura mutumi ni assembly shiai
mpacho ani assembly shiai
egosi sen
yene assembly ni shiai say stakeholders bebre ebaye omo baye ye nyina ye che adwen eye GPLTU ene police for assembly company for ishiae na say
Liberty
minu emo nkomodi mu nokra no no mo ka bibi se wotena wo makroba otimbi because ye timamu for na say ye cheche anema abane de onye hwio implementation no de begu ho ba yen energy implementation ye implementing ye na ye de some ye ho ba ye kodu ba bia na mentem ho ase menye wi actually utumu hu se ade no ono o mpese obeti ase no o benefit wo ba bi ba ne de na ono benefiting de onko but opese omienu yonko nti GPL2 ye trans mu se ne aban na ye no se siafu price no abafom dollar rate no so abafom nti niema mako anamienu bi na Ghana ejina so a etumi ma no mabo eden one ene sa shintiade no a wokan because obi ko fa ne ma abeton je ofuka na lorry fare no price no wosura se ne ma no diguma o mbe charge esa ka wo lorry fare no nti wo de ba na wo ton a wo betranse na wo de calculator ato ho na wa cheche o ka sika no ene oniema na e charge ye no e de agugu so eno na e ya na ama system no apaja menu e kan se bi ms eyemede because ufi se wo ton wo de yi ba usika na obenya no wuni o wo de be kwa koto obi de foforo na ususu se ne de wonte so na wo de ne na bode na ukwa na onu mom olusu ana eno ena anopai ye hia ho a ye be ka ho asemu ye me se assembly no securities no omo ma ye printe sa shintiade e de ma wo mo
okay
na ye no na mfa se na e propose or provisional
sure
but enra me se ye mpanfo hia no mo getu mu ya sa shintiade enra chi Monday ena de ye adwuma ya me se ini hehe bia obia eye na adwuma se de te me se oba yo so afamu ha challenge kakra ye wo ene sa taxis na omo
town
riding for no na bibri ente omo hase ebi mo ate omo hase na me se bibia eye communication ya iguso ene omo kasa me se MC mu nyina be kasa panifo bi nso be kasa iguso
because enra na me report about fache na fache wo dwuna ase
okay
and then the reporter fache de ma me nra nimre e kire say even se hwi be kwai cars no krado no mo fa nipa de akobe kwai na amanfo enya ka because da ba say bo no de enkoyi ma wo munti
eno ne asema ye nyina ye boboso yi se ofi se ene wo ne kai ka ne ye ne dia wankwa omoka but eya na ne yuro fi se obekokwan ho wakoto nsuo sachet ba kon se onum na hwan card ye na di nsuo no ba ya akoto ya wo benum ititimamufo no na ye pese ye bo man no intiminu amonko mo di ye me se atoma kuma so pa
enti sese ya ka abo no mwate so
ka abo no ya teso station bia ya teso
list da wanim
me ba jo ani
bubo so ma mentie 15% na say 10% na say
15%
na mo de ye adwuma
15% ye de ye adwuma
oh okay
na babi wo ho a challenge kakra ye benya ya enye 15% no ene se 2022 2023
yes sir
sa transportation no sa areas bi wo ho na ye ngipia tu na susu se ebo no wo so
nti na wo se gina ho
nti ye mani gina ho enenne fuel no abete so nti ye so ye work 15% na ya hwe ne se de enha sa kuro no so fuel no bi ne se de wo ka be kwa asemu enha timamfo no emi se na yete ha ye ka sei unu ya metia miniska kai bintumi ntobi nti
na wa be hye wa so be mesika no
o dabi sika de ebe se obi a wosika kakra me le to ma bi ane de na me no ya ga and de toka na me ya sum timamfo
just by the way
yeah di men kan sa you see community bi ho a cars nsheda nurse ho akoye mienu bi taxi mienu bi na da ho it will feel say wo sisi kuro na ya teso ntime nko no apake na kuro no so fo no ebre nti sa fo no a ya ntumi antom kaskam for that time no ya makaska na antra ho biem ye teso you see good
bibi
bibi kakra ya amafo party as because enra chi no takwa man bi kwata ko ba ya na o mu bisa se ya tekaska no mo se ane na ne yire su kumase no so mo twa kumase take na kumase yesen e no mo ka se kumase old price na 50 cedis na current price ya ji 45 cedis was it we there fufu pa o
enyafo
dabi meche o mo beti ase
enyafo
fo pa
chamasi boy
ni dia ma na ye fo no ne ye meka ye no
o me ne o ya
price no ya makwan e ma ya ntum for a while simply because I'm saying minimum ya way simply because metro mass e buy no price no said the normal si je
o mbiti no
down nti GPU cars ni gina hwa eno an si gina hwa itina eje se yeso ye de ho etoto wo mo good ye ya ne sanzo bo a ebeboa yen because me kokumasi ni bi ukobi minu ya ukobi mystica kobi nti ye ne sa nti bekwai as I'm speaking tama na ye 50 cedis ewo se wi oso no na bekwai 50 cedis but meanwhile wo ko bekwai na transportation ye 18 cedis. You see, nti say yantrase antoto niema yi a ebeduru baabi no ebema niema bi mo aye hunyan enu nti ena ede wi ekwohye ho no ena me no ka say be kwai o ma reverse o mo fe no 45 cedis, but why you also 45 enam price that na wo ho no ne ye kan aye national cake almost say entikas gas because me koto me fuela mesika enkoto ne de ebia 65 na me koto me de 55.
Yes,
the same price nti ade ntina yati bibi so a ye nche mane nso obia so na obia nka se aha eye no kre kasika yate so ya me say ye ne sa ebeboa ye nyinara eye ne sa ebeboa ye nti o kan eminua sa enete nti percentage wise nde ye de work in pepepe oba babi te say me fan say you also to insawra percentage wise no atwas ne ye 12.75.
Okay.
Into 12.75 and said there passenger for no any adraba for no enko kunti 75 pesos no na gi say na run figure of 13 cedis.
Sure.
You see?
Sure.
Na enko ka say ma obi 15 pesos bi na enko for problem asana ye ne assembly ni hia tete nyina ya ye no mo transe eye cash no sa na ye no it will be e wo ho a enam say be onimu makakra na wa work that 15% will be so benya sa 12.75 no adintina eye 12 cedis 75 pesos
na wojeme
na edo hawaba nti e basa
okay
ye bohu dawuru assembly no so omo satisfier omo nyina wo frɛ MCU wo frɛ coordinating director wo frɛ GPRT chairman GPRT secretary ye nyina beto ye boase ne ye chichiri mu na nneema mu anda ho edu baabi na se ye se ye nto kasika mu a na ye de percentage wase ne ba ye bo na ebi be guso said ye mekan ya na ye so ye de aba form.
Oh, okay.
You see na ye so yar verse no
which is we you know madwene eyetemamufo no enti see you know problem in ho.
Oh, see a problem in ho.
In the town riding no and is ya major
town riding no ye tell me say we also
but town riding
no ye no ye you also ufri gwina say ba you also a 3 cedis 50 pesos and na eje so monje o ko me fa ne say watiko
ademra
eho there about no ye no 4 cedis
okay
na omonje 5 cedis
yes
ya no 4 cedis o ko u da ademra mo ne ade na 6 cedis mo ne ya no 5 cedis
okay
o say taxi fares no ejida entumu biasa na eha no nso no car fro no dodo no e wo challenge kakra wo ho okokuma asese ya taxi e fa wo say o fa wo mfa say keitia odo eba
asafo
ji eni ha o say ebembe but taxi fa wa ne oje wa no
yes
na ye ha no idumi enye sa education no iti du baby a ema ye taxi town running no ye chiche kasika nimu
okay
ye chichim enu ntina obi bebi sa say na kasikrom de say you also you see but ya o hwe ha hwe bepo no obebo akọ case now into opia obeka say obey you also odu me fa say susu me te ho baby a so abe you also into opia obesiu na temamfo no ewo akire no so ebre nti yenya na ya chichim say de be ya ubia benya ne chefa enti akwasi ubisa no sa nete na kaska ande atete so
mboboso ntie
me free ha meko meeting nti ma yemo boso
ntie
na meko dwa boso meeting sisi ya me say kaska no ye be sha ase sa destination no you also to Kumasi na 50 cedis but ene ukọ station bia ubia be ka say omoje 45 cedis you also to Insawra na yaje 15 cedis na eno akora no na passengers ni bi ene drivers no se omo omo first ne se pragia no eje Nsawra adwuma no ene kwasi pragia lo du free also akora Nsawra
my friend chairman sir chairman kwasi ya minya no but I don't know but me anso so de ma hu ne se menu yakwa ame no kwabo ono so na that pragia for no ano and
about meeting be
good
nti ebe say omo de no omo nya adwuma nche yase menka omo asa ba we reference bi na
and American say kwame no kwabo na no so oye wo mo chama
Ishmael
yes Ishmael nti den aye behia ye was ehia ofi nti behia
by reference kakra bi na kana me ma mo de nti eye nsawra no na omo hu say omo kasika no eno de eno kwa no po ye tra ho ase about 2 hours because pragia no ko zawra na omo fair de no edge omo no omo ate omo de nso ntina ya makwan ma pragia and travel long distances
and it's very bad
omo higher nti eno a stakeholders ni here no omo de asem no to menua Ishmael anim em say wona ni hia obeka because pragia to me lodu free akoko fikrom no ko zawra ebi mo kopia asem no ade na omo hwe omo gu omo banso ane lobu kuntan police for ko kan pragia no akoye mpanifo bi mo bebredia ya che omo freme nti pani bi frɛ o sɛ machine we ya media kura na kwasi anodin nti wo so em sɛ yetimamfo ade obi wona no wo system na ofrɛ o e ka asɛm gyewa obetu no fo de once a wo so ya adwuma hye na se na wo hawa wo so besi answer ɛno na police omo enya the same challenge omo de to yanim MTTD commander oh hobi ode to yanim asem no mo beka ni sei na ye wia afi na mpanifo ofre really no kre oh but this time round no me say almost on be education kakra bi but time goes on no opani no unim papa wanya enya de omo so be makwan nti ombe tu sa na mo no na omo ejina 15 na because be 2-3 times no nzawra no omo nka no but all the same ebi mo nso de o ka omo te ase nti 15 no omo age omo 13 cities no nti yeba yo so tun kwadum a 20 cities na yaje current price na old na medical
okay senior my current prices no
new price no okay enkwadum eye 17 cities enkwadum eye 17 cities yo so sahube kwai eye 15 cities yo so dia so eye 25 cities you also takwa 70 cities. You also brekum 70 cities. You also kwadukrum 70 cities. By almost 17 cities.
Okay, 17.
Takwa
70.
Enti sa 17 minu na me de ache wono. Kwadukrum akakrum 17 no. Omo ete omo ho asese ensesa 10 pesos se no be ha wo 1 cedi mo ne ade no nti na ebi mo ede buy se ombetua 18 cedis
okay
nti ebi a mo bete no mo ombeka se meka na 17 cedis wo ha 17 cedis ade no mo gi 18 nti ebi a mo na ma mbehia that ayi no nti na ma kirem kakra bi wo no na omo sesa se de ombeya 2 cedis nti na nti omo ete omo asese 20 pesos ne common more than 10 nti 17 for no na omo ase eye no 18 okay enti yaba yo so bopan eno so saa 17 na yaba yo so keteboy ono so 18 na yaba yo so shell eno so omo je 18 cities
na yo so asan so
ya beba ho say a list now
okay
a list now o se me mo dia botre say yo so to Asante Krom and also 22 cities. You also to Akontomra 35 cities. Stambik 40 cities.
Okay.
Stambik and over Ketwan 14 to one price na nyepe. Nti omo kukuma se Stambik no so mpo no enam 45 no so first na 55 to omo 50 cities.
Okay.
E hono em say me yi free mu. Na yamra you also aprutu and also 22 cities. You also Yaukrum 25 cities. So you also to see 17 cities. You also Boakon 15 cities. You also Camp 10 cities. You also Binasi that is town riding now. Menemo Descare.
Yes.
3 cities 50 pesos and 4 cities.
4 cities, okay.
Okay. You also Punikrum 8 cities. You also assign so near now open no 25 cities.
25 cities. Okay.
Na 30 cities.
Liberty
Na 30 cities, 25 cities. You also Asafo 22 cities. You also 82, 81, 22 cities. You also Limam Krum 25 cities. You also Kokiata 25 cities. You also Opon Krum 22 cities. You also Peri 22 cities. You also One Sample 25 cities. You also Nyamia Diso. Nyamia Diso 25 cities. Na Nyamia Diso no em say 82. Yewo ba mi saka mo baby sa me na me ma mo mi sa me. Dey just say me answer because me pe kwaya ko meeting. Ba ko share ta no so top ho. Enye no. One Sample blampa na chi ho. Wansa program na chi ho ho nyame adi so de na ye ka card ho ene chuchuri o mo nyina wo the same area that means how the onim ho agwazi ndi o de ho di da
nyana ka me siri
you also called 22 cities. You also Dwaboso 35 cities. You also Kramokrum 18 cities. You also Amafi 4 cities. You also Bosmonso 4 cities. Na sa Bosmonso ma me bobo isi pragia pam wo monti no taxi e ko ho na obeje sa taxi mponi ho sisi ameka say because all the taxi si wa o gira ho na wa for the pragia on na ko do mo na e ma challenge say cars pragia no ko echi no you also ahwa 4 cities. Aboduam 4 cities. Adiamra 5 cities. Nsunsua 13 cities. Debiso 55 cities. Paboase 17 cities. Akoti 17 cities. Na omo wa challenge kakra. Akoti ne Paboase no na nka ufiri Paboase e kwa Akoti a emu wa kakra ya ufiri ho kwa hokra ejise ejebe 5-6 cities. But 2 times no moto ukada no good. Omo so kotena hwa ma omo djuma na nka good omo ama omo kwan. Enti ho no ombe maintain 17 cities from Paboase to that area you also to Paboase 17 no. Enti GPIT we betena se na ya yehye papa na efim beba bia so yebema actual central for aswati said there omo ene omo enye basabasa. You also to baby any 35 cities. You also to Anyenabrem 13 cities. Krobo 13 cities. Kwambo 15 cities. Anglo 13 cities. Ayirekurum 8 cities. Agwazi na me say stations are you also nkrasi no ne nkro no ehye you also GPIT aseno omo ehyentuade enam de atudwai
eti nia wakan nyina no sesi amanfo na age atomo but sene be ya enkonkofa nchiri wa hye wode mfa mma no mo wo system bia mo de be meta sa ne ma nyina ehunu se amanfo no ede ye adwuma sene be ya enkonkofo ha nso koma posifo nso
me say Monday ena me ankaza kwasi amte me kotena sa fidie no so nti passengers for no ewo station ho no ya drivers no wo ho bia ye busy a o ye na dwuma no na che say me bobo di tudwa ye be 5 minutes a na me san hyase na ma bobo so na ye wo station masters 3 ye na be di akon ye papa kwasi manu na ye nua ba akon ye frɛ ne dabo na enso GPIT ye deploy wo mo inside the station no omo ko station to station
na omo nchreche
na nchreche no na nche da anya nchreche bia simply because ya wo ye omo twa sa ticket no asana driver na jinisika ya omo ye GPIT for nti wo ko no tini table no a ono na o twa ama passengers no agi usika no na wo betu a na waji usika ebe se Kumasi station okọ babia nti you also you need that kind of challenge no babia amasa challenge na ba you also ne se omo fa wo mo ansana omo abaji sika no okwan so ana agwazi wufu bizada
Matias
na ena me no ka sei se de apolisifoɔ ene mpanifo bi ebe boban ama wo obi a benefit sa kaska no eno etena se eye ho nkyekere senti ni se MTD commander ema ye nyante ase se adwuma no obeye de asom se hwi oso ada police mpanifo a omo ka ho division commander mo nyina ba bi omo se omo beboa ama communication bi mo akoso ya omo de be som temamfo no adenti no omo kasa ne omo ka ne se yo so taxi e bia olodu a onje sika ba omo be ma omo men ni bi agegina kwan mu na ogina kwan mu na obe yo so a se de tie bia obe cross sa nkrofo no e bi mba me fan se be Republic Bank na oma me ebi mo agina me fan se ewiase mpo de M70 for tem bia omko pompro na se ba om be fa different aye bia FPU for kra no de be bo om kuta moto white bi mo no de be bo na om ama om be gina me fan se ba bia me store yi we wahu na om be gina ho nti o ba na ya stop no wa gina
secretary udiri hono mo enra kumase enra chi kumase nyina saa na mayor na wo hono no waye placing crofo vantage points
good
to kwa trotro ne kwa no mo gina no bisa passengers say na mo je mo say na mo je nti say out of baby o mo ka ho asem na quickly na mo gina ho ma na sesa abalance o mo tentem nti all these vantage points na we kumase for now sa no mo yenti I think it's a very good step in the right direction.
O mo ntwe sika no a na je se police ni be gina ho se obi antwa di sika ansa na oja draba no na ko na je se nye se ntokwa bi ko si akire ba bi
okay chairman jini wabo so nyina no yeso ye beda wasesa na pay oba ye
yo me so me da ma se
pa amanfo na etiefo nchechemu nyina ebrepam no ye besen atunsa fra na ne oho no wo de abetudwa e de ma ye da se
me ya yeso da ma se mo so ma fra ma no pay na ye chichirensemu eche se yoso ne ni nkura atwa ne ho hia e me se ye nyina ye ni se ya ebeboa ye papa
o kwa be geni na ama for
omo to ne ba si ye nra kra na omo keka se anwa na omo to no wo
ye be kan wa sem
9 something it be 8 something and so omo ko ye no 550 and 6 you see in the other na won te so
me de me concentration lorry fair no e wo yosoa
ba nse o mate so
se eno na me kan asat enro nyina me ko dwuna se be 2 times 4 cities mo jebe ene sei eno po de se nya ka me fa pragia be see new town nti ona no wasam de me no se kwasiwa se ye beka
mo beka
wasam enti chama me pese me hu se sesi a no yo so 3 cities 50 pesos no ofro car no a he fa na wukusi a e wo so wutua me bacho me bo he fa na wukusi a from Jonathan to yours no wutua 3 cities 50 pesos no e na he fa so na wo so wutua 4 cities no
me say me kanu me chire mu na me say wa ontie me yi
me tie o ba
ka say if you na say good if you na say e ba you so a me fa say you so de me say anopem be say Lion Peter mo ho ba bi be Lion Peter mo ho ba bi you so no
new town
good na ufiri ho so a wo ko bobe po no akọ no na o ma age 4 cities no na ye ka ho bi ye you so fo ye ka ho bi tambia me kama asem se ifiri ha tama na metwi kumase ka no ifiri ha kodu kumase a ubebisa obi oti kumase ya okuta ka ya na ya adwuma wo station ubisa no kwensa no aka che o se kwensa no ni bi but sankrofo no ekoto o kumase no eya no mo nso epe kwensa na o mu ni bia no mo bisa yen ye befiri ha akodu kumase no waka ya no ayi kwensa na ma no because kwensa no be ya ma no yo so ha em say ye respect sika kwensa what the money no so pa you also respect coins iti adentina you see you also 3 cities 50 pesos na why wa adwen say obefo ka na ompe o coins egu bottom
so mo so pebi
drivers ne be because Sundays kwa driver no person o sisi nto na ka so you see
all right just to me you better was you eating to sports for time indeed
mse be chama ho ye no wi ayi o se ye adwuma bi na 3 days ye betana ha e de fa na ko tano so
kwasi ma me na chama
chama
ti ye better
so be banka ase so ko dwabo so
ye ko meeting
na be ko ba bi a menta fan to dwabo bi a ko sa
Oh,
for the sake of security.
Security, no. Yeah.
All right. Yeah, that's
I say go heaven.
Mistake.
My monitor.
1 minute.
My monitor.
Now you chama is kind of brain why I promise him to Jibra. Yeah, and you can see
na no ball na 7 no.
Wajuma pa and Mystica and dream team no say to kwan etu na mon ko Thanos.
Yes.
Tama na me yare am ba behwe me hu nyanto me there, but for the sake of Ghana intina ma ya ba ha no no. You got to say Thanos ball na a hipu na aye basa. Ma Mystica e de etempenten kwa kokuru.
And no chairman tete frame.
Yeah.
Abra kan ba ya.
Dem say nipa ene ne ba ha ebe kan asa no wa ha the sports for nobody e
ba. Yes, chairman bio. We dey bonito mama. I was say akwa ko sise bola no.
Yo, madawroma bola no sise o madwi bola no na kwa chiri amahen. Na ne mekan say yeda onabo MC so ase. Say ono kasa so ba obehwe.
Okay.
Bijina hod no nyam tai achi. E ma bola ni pian ma ne kwa chiri.
All right.
Tano so mpanyufo so ba ha. E na na e ba ho bi. Abusu panyi so ba ho bi. Ema timamfo no so bi bekan ho ema tu anamo no ma na yefe meda assemblyman so ase se asem no se ne si ye no na yehu ne en kan fa ho bat se ne si ye a ono ad na no nyam so ebeta akire ema bibia ye kama no meda wo nyina ase timamfo no so nyina ase na liberty panyifo presenters no mo ambo ema ta no so yesi a ye ho atoye wo bola no ho no enso madam nyina so mase.
All right. Yes, yeah, that's it. Asidani bi enkoma Prince Kwesi Amponsan Jam Rem from Mr. Kawondes. Braso sa agudie mu nse nkrofo na onde ya agudie mu nsem e de ebrel. Na anapay ma menkai wo say Ghana Commercial Bank bank adwumaku a womo ene amanfo edi ensawoso se womo agi amanfo sika edigu bank wo ananso kokko yi sika na saade na womo ye ne nyina mu mpo no womo san so eflow 2 shares ema amanfo edi womo sika eba be hye eye adwuma no emu na eno na bank no so etumi eye nyina so si usika na de be hye na womo so ayi hu kakran edi abowa wo na sisi womo se ye nka nkyerɛ wo se your trusted financial partner Ghana Commercial Bank ono de dada nyina wa fato no so behwe se wo usika a eda bank wo ene wo shares a wa float a wo mo ho na nyina no wo mo ebeto akoso abo ho ban amana so abapa ede amount enu nti wo mo say wo mo wo contact ene obi bia wo mo nche mo no wadi nkomo na dada nkita hundie bia wo so mo no edi bia no wo mo no edi ni yie enu nti sanse wo mo wo numbers na wo obi bia nti no bibi ni a wo mo emfa nkonkofa obi so na emom wo mo ne wankasa na ebedi ho nkomo wo phone so ana ekwanya wo de fa so say wo mo ene wo eni nkomo no directly enu nti wo mo si en kankyerɛw se womo ede eye saa assemwe ede emaw se bibi biara efa eye wo shares a ewo Ghana Commercial Bank ho no records ne ho kwan nkrodoba ne nyina no womo ede ne nyina ebefa wo telephone number so anasa wo email address mu na ede amaw womo emfa nkonkofa obi aso se ope enkyeremu bia nso so a eya ubetumi akọ bank wono akọ bisemu na okọ Ghana Commercial Bank ba bia nso betumi akwa ko bisem ewo erunti bibi nso na wonti ase a obetumi akọ Ghana Commercial Bank wo mo entintan kese ne so na ode wonsem so akwa ko guo no wa access the way enema esi ekro efa wonso so wo kakrawa ene wo shares a ewo eye Ghana Commercial Bank no ewo ni nyina na so ode fa eye enchiremu no niema no nyina no ko eye www.gcbbank.com.gh ana say obeko eye your shareholders portal no eso and so eye epay.gcblimited.com.98/ shareholders portal akohonoma onsa ebeka bibi biara a efa wonso so o shares a ewo Ghana Commercial Bank anunti mesrawo se obi efra se Ghana Commercial Bank for say ya mesrew ene obia eni sansa woso no Ghana Commercial Bank de nchiremu bia wo mo edema ho efa adwumadie na hu bia no wo mankasa ene ebedi ho ensa woso anapai menna wase na memfa wo ensi ha sa so oje penie na ma ya kwanya ebraso se de agode mu nsem ede ebrawo Bugatti Altenase. Good morning.
Boss, morning.
It's say.
Nankopon adom ahoden ho pa.
Na ayiwe.
Minia.
Asumasi.
Mpacho wo menchen wa ha. Mene no ana ekọ babia ti. Menya ba dia mene na aba.
Okay.
Na no pe mani agi ye wo de kono ho bra.
Boss, good morning.
Good morning, boss.
It's say.
Me patcho na wo so e.
Nyakra untimi nyamhwe.
Bende. Ja. Nyakra. Wa na ye hwe wo.
Nyakra untimi nyamhwe.
Ba obaye no. Umfa MP da.
Ne beto wa hawo.
Say o your boss.
Ntimi menim kro no. Wo na ka say o boss fa me kwa.
O your boss.
Na MP mfa ha. Nti o kasa.
I was so the yetenase.
Nti o so fa pie.
Me boa.
Yeah, and
I was so the yetenase.
Ka wasem na me nko.
Oh, boss, I'm said you.
And one I make
Yo kan so.
Na no yi anka.
Ana mse mbeto mo ha. Ana ma meto mo.
Say what to the wodi ka tan. Bia ekuremu animu akire mfifia.
Bia.
Na bonim say prince ko akansie. Ansroja. Akwa akansie.
Akansie ben.
Yes not for elect or mumpanimfo bi. Na sisia no. Kwasi prince na vice chairman.
Hey. And you go to pardon, sir. Oh, we go to pardon.
By say no. Powder true no. Ya sesa no.
Yeah, they are quite a
si aye nso.
Tu ba ko tu nso.
Nso no. Ya sone so a.
Ola kene se prince asore wo mchana ka bet. Edi ada pay. Ye fa asida ema wo mo to abade ma kwesi am konsema je so ba vice chairman ema nat.
Wow.
Ewo Western North.
Oh nice. Nice.
Vice chairman. Ada Felix Akumi no so ye chairman nankasa.
On the enim no.
So we
na chairman vice.
Until prince na vice.
Oh nice.
They say there wo not for vice chairman of ya.
Nice one.
Wow.
Nice one.
Ni bia be fine.
Nice one.
Boss, I know you get to them fancy.
I'm sorry.
I'm saying me send me boss. Oh boss, we dem sraw. We dem sraw, they send me boss kra. E no me kan say me wa no pa no. Say be hia ma. Na ma na sem ne sa na mpanifo no bi ate.
Ma
wa want to sika so no ke sika so.
Oh mate so.
Na mani age. E na opani be kasa ma me dey send boss say. Wa want to bi ane de. Number kron driver ni no. O de me number no na. Ye ba be chi no. Akodi senti was want to so. Boss Ghana ye de. Ye kru no ye nko ba bia biem. To de aka ni pie no ana asa. E pie no ana. Say pragia fo. Kai ba bia me ko bia be.
I say ba bia
pragia de menfo.
I say bia fo.
Taxi
weekends will be fine.
Okay, no problem.
Weekends will be fine. There's a about
is it yours or yes?
About 3 to 50 pesos. 50 pesos. Uko kumasi 40 to 50, 20 pesos, and 50.
45.
Hey, no man to so.
45.
No man to so.
50.
Say mutu so 15% and 42.
Yeah.
Boss, the enfant is a.
Question be hard.
There be a Sunday ako. Let's make us so money in this. The best say a she would.
The uncle.
Boss.
Was certainty was here uncle. All right, abusa for your trust and midweek and enso just a Wednesday. 80 yanya trust day your trust ya kudemu samno enso panabe penso atime kabo tumade so and anopaina and ensempi and yanya trust ya te hon sam panti edb me pache ne koye ho adwuma for me sansem the videos na sano kama pema alternate da ho 80 kwane quick na ne ko anim sa na enema enso etimya kama and big game and a rebels against a yetima, you have a Chelsea, and Tibuga, Fatima, the voices now, na Inter and Seman. I coaches any year to draw, na anima else a Timia Kama, Sansa and the Chelsea Timo, Pema, and Ampayan. ebedwa against him a yɛfɛ ɛyɛ Rebel Tisa Chelsea performance nhwɛ sɛ ɛnima nso pɛ timi akama eti ne game no nso ɛtotwa na repɛ nso tɛmi pɛ na mɔmɔ yɛn tie ɛnima kakra abante a yɛfɛ James ɔno wɔkɔɛ nso ɛkɔyɛ interview ɛma tima yɛfɛ ɛyɛ Chelsea na before 10 no Chelsea team no kɔyɛ training mɔmɔ yɛn tie info sɛ ɛnima nso etimi ɛkɔyɛ.
Parecía más grande, 50. 40 arcos. Si vuelve a la cancha que hay incendio los tiros.
Puoi fare 11 minuti, 15 minuti là.
¿Tú qué eres? De Nápoles de toda la vida, ¿no?
Hay que manejar los idiomas, es una locura. Manejas un par de idiomas. Es fácil.
Italiano,
Inglés intenta.
Sí, el inglés se te atraviesa un poco ahí, aquí en el costado. Es el acento.
Eti wey Chelsea team na chese omo ekobo game ene against a team a yɛfɛ Rebel Tisa no wɔn nso ewuram ɛyɛ stadium kama nso ɛkɔyɛ training team before training no na ɛwɔ sɛ nkɔmɔde die nso no sɛ ne adade nso etimi totwa ɛnima team a yɛfɛ ɛyɛ Chelsea a ɛno na ɛnya ASANTE kakra eti ɛno training no nso etimi totwa yɛ nɛ ɛyɛ Chelsea ɛtwam sɛ ɛyɛ game no nso betimi atotwa na webɛn nso atimi kama ɛnya ASANTE kakra na ɛne abɔnti a yɛfɛ James ɔno Okasama Tima, you Chelsea on behalf of the playing body now, AT&T with James. Oh,
and we'll go to Jack on the second row.
In a similar vein, Reece, you've obviously won trophies for this club before. It feels like a different club under the new ownership a bit. Would winning the Conference League be the thing that can spark a run of silverware again for Chelsea, do you think?
I mean, we hope. It's been a few years, since we've got our hands on silverware. So if you zoom out and take a further look, I would like to think that this would, bring the winning trophy for effect back to the club and help the players that haven't won so much in their career so far. Simon,
a question.
Eti wey aya pantia yɛfɛ ɛyɛ James na ɛkyɛ sɛ wɔde to twa na wɔn sɛ game team ɛwɔ sɛ Chelsea 18 for win na wɔsi it be a long time a ɛyɛ Chelsea ɛnso ɛnsa ɛtumi ɛyɛ silverware eti ɛwɔ sɛ Chelsea timi wɛm kama na ɛnɛ ɔmo kɔfa trophy no na pepe nso ɛtumi ɛyɛ kama ɛtiɛma team na yɛfɛ ɛyɛ Chelsea kyɛ no ɛyɛ nsɛm pantia yɛfɛ James ɛnso de to twa ɛna mete wasɛm ɛnso tɛma ɛwɔ dwumadie nso ɛne no pɛn na ma yɛnkɔɛ na yɛnkɔtie ɛyɛ coach a yɛfɛ Enzo Maresca na Enzo coach ɛtima team a yɛfɛ Chelsea ɛno a wɔn nso ne nsɛm akra ɛnso to dwa.
La primera parte de esas condiciones ya están y la segunda ya veremos mañana, ¿no?
Para el Correo de Andalucía. Por tu pasado sevillista, no sé si te hace especial ilusión ganarle esta final al Betis y qué es lo que te da miedo del Betis. ¿Qué jugador? ¿Qué es lo que te hace especial temer esta final?
Can I answer in Spanish?
Yes.
No, ante todo es una final entre Chelsea y Betis, entonces simplemente estoy aquí representando al Chelsea y mi pensamiento, mi focus está solamente en esto. Luego el Betis creo que es un equipo que este año lo ha ganado también, un equipo importante en España. Incluso ante todo por el entrenador y luego por la calidad.
Eti wey ayopenia yɛfɛ Enzo Maresca ɔnso nsɛm a wɔn nso ɛde to twa ɛna mete wasɛm ɛnso tɛma ɛwɔ dwumadi so a ɛnya asakɛtɔ wɔn nso yɛ mfa ma ɛnso ate kama den ɛna ɔde den ɛwɔ sɛ Chelsea ɛnso ɛtumi yi trophy ɛde si ɔmo na so ten season sɛ Chelsea ɛkɔ trophies a ɛyɛ tia paa dwie paa eti ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo yi trophies no ɛnso de hyɛ supporters na onyan kama na support team a yɛfɛ Rebel Tisa ɔmo coach no yɛfɛ Manuel aye Pellegrini once in Samakram Edia Tuga.
before your first European final as a coach, major European final. How does it feel to be here before the Conference League final?
Well, happy of course, because I think that we had done a very good season with Betis, not only in La Liga, and we qualify for the next Europe League 4 or 5 games before we finish. So in both sides, in the international
realize just how big a club Real Betis is. 50,000 members, huge stadium, fans.
5,000 people. But now in the new stadium, be sure that we have the 3 big clubs in Spain, Barcelona, Real Madrid, Atletico Madrid. I think that Betis is the most important fans in the amount of fans that every game they are behind the team. It's a...
Manuel Pellegrini. And so I don't try on the Rebel fans now, not just Bia Anthony, and a boy the Yentie, in Foria camp, and so on more.
Yeah, when you see the scenes that happen, I mean, nobody can like that. I mean, and I saw some horrible videos. Yeah, I don't know if anyone passed away, but there's got to be some serious injuries, and I just think it sort of ruined the celebrations. Although I don't want Liverpool to win the league, I mean, nobody wants that, right? So yeah, obviously our heart goes out to anyone who's affected in Liverpool, and even as a Chelsea fan, I think everyone can agree.
Yeah, obviously, you know, I mean, it goes without saying, no one wants to see any of that. But I've got a mate who's a Scouser, lives in London near me. We used to work together, and he. Liverpool.
I also Omojin. I just a trophy now. Na I was a Monday no Omotifa Chrome Kakra. Na Bema and Yas and Ketom. As someone see our Liverpool no a hard game pan. Just a Nipam Pempe Bimu a Pepa. I'm a Bimu Social Shamunqua. Sansa can. Eti famua na enya saketwa wia sebetrasa yere video sebeto face pokroso nemom anopai momiente sound kakra.
Please help us help you clear the parade route.
Eti diatiano no nenya saketwa chese nepam pempem ena akohia chese omuji bokwa pemo pania diatekano Sebema montwem America ne pemu dwane masana cinema for the form pemu chetia pemu so ka twifa manfo so no a mese nano mountain na enya sanketwa kwasa no hokese pa enasi ewotese Liverpool kromo enya sanketwa na pai ya yetewa sam enso tema ewo twimore so a enye asanketwa kwa etinei openia ya fe echese Lami Yama was the contract extension until 2030 and so at Rabaso and ya asanketa kariti Lami Yama and Evia yere trasia yere on sempi and so every team edia tuja eti kete Monte Lami Yama waranso ne highlighter ayana onusu eye
Girona 0 Barcelona 1 Lamine Yamal
Eti diatia buya.
Yes sir.
Ene de Lami Yama the contract extension fee and officially was sign official contract on the football career.
Wow.
Eti ene was sign until 2031 6 good years.
Wow.
And Lami Yama and so was sign at the FC Pasa. 86 years pa nya saketwa kra. Yes, akodana ya die. Na sika akodana be gya gunu ho no. Enye nkoda sika. Enye nkoda sika kwana almost so sanso ti Ballon d'Or na. Wo mo bonuses bia omo de ma no.
Okay.
Eti Lami Yama ne de be ma. akwadaa no si sɛ wapie yie ɔn sɛ ne maame ampie yie but maame no trial struggle sɛ dabi akwadaa wie no ɛwɔ sɛ meyɛ no daakye bia no ɛwɔ sɛ wɔtunye baabi si ɛna ɔde wuram ɛwɔ Spain nti na awia sɛ bɛtra sɛ ne biography ɛbɛba na akwadaa no fɛ Lami Yamal no yɛdere ho nkɔmmɔ pii sɛ afei no wanya 18 years right afei no nya 18 years nti afei wasa official contract last season na obo nyina na onyansa official contract afei na wasa official contract e dey match for FC Barca nti ebuga
yes sir
me nti afisem no
me da save some for prof na mote ne kasa no pay you dem no nsem e di ababeto mo best sports station hanum e Liberty 92.7 FM na ye ba fie na afei afisem a ye nsaka de nsem ina no enso atumi dia ensas ne ni komo kakra ko Africa ha sese kumase asante kotoko na call up ori na se odi wani chem na me adama 6th of July na afei 13th of July the omni say EOCO International Cup the year 2025 ena ya tonkra e di afei kumase asante kotoko so munso anfo munim dia meboa na afei tournament no ye kam EOCO so Nigeria Lagos ena sa tournament we because na 8 class ena EOCO akobo sa games we amai bi say Nyimba FC be akobo bi Remo Stars Ikoduru FC Shooting Start Super Sport of South Africa so baby NFA Daddy FC dia Plawi omuso fi Benin Antalya Sport fi Tech na for KOTOKO we na me adama 30 na for 6 na games so inanom ebetima kosta na pedo won semi na de ba na yeni komo kaka club issues mo enne na me adama wo adako jachi Kumasi Asante KOTOKO bebo friendly match one any team and the commence nkum we ya 3 p.m. na sa game no and so ebetima na pedo won semi na no e ba yemo komo kaka e wo Europe and then Nyami had about 6:45 the Black Stars of Ghana Nigeria game no ebetima ko ni na ya Unity Cup we so for course na no pay ya don't want some de ba no game e ba ko timi course Jamaica etimi eshamie sama Trinidad and Tobago etimi academy no kasa Jamaica ko for na omu kesa Ghana go ebetima hye no na esa ko for na se ko hye Jamaica and ya hye Ghana nkunimdie ebetima ko e dia ma na yini nkomo kakra unim so pani adidi ade Michael Otiaje ono or US a whole no nya bonkomo se enema pina ko so di Colombia's Ghana or bompa se betimadi nkunim yentie Michael Otiaje ono ye general manager edema the media general yentie ni kakra.
So the Black Stars wrapping up the training for that massive, basically regional derby against Nigeria. It's always a big deal. The team, as you can see in the background, have been training the last one or so. Essentially, it's the Unity Cup, Ghana versus Nigeria at the GTEC Stadium in Brentford. Otoado is trained with 20 players. Now, the rest of the players is expected to come. Mohamed Salisu, who is one of them, and then Ibrahim Suleimana, who had a cracking end to the season for Atlanta, scoring twice in their run up to the European Champions. Essentially, go to hospital. This is a big opportunity for me to understand the team better, to get new players in. The technical director will fresh for saying, putting myself to be when said that this is a big opportunity for a lot of the young players to stake a big claim on the team. So, massive game. It's about the only opportunity that the coach will get with the team before they line up for that World Cup qualifier this September. So, a lot at stake against Nigeria. We'll be bringing you updates on all our platforms.
What was up for Michael Otiaje reported free London and a pay me for at 6:45 Ghana or GTEC Community Stadium ne assembled Ghana was yetimedin kunna yemla club chusum kakani nko yami adma Friday playoff give big game betima cause 11 wonders and half out you way no betima qualify no about to the Ghana Premier League match next year. Now the only said coach I would more coach these two big clubs no. You know that didn't come out. You didn't come out kakra. Our coach at the David K Inyaba. Or no N11 wonders for one head coach. Now coach didn't come out kakra so no 11 wonders team there. One of both is Barcelona. He did David K Inyaba.
By first half, it should be clear that wonders are qualified. And that's what we're telling our fans and everyone, including RTU, that yes, as a big team, just came from Premier, but we know that everyone who understands football knows that wonders will win the game in the first 45 minutes. And that's what we're preparing for.
First 45 minutes, done deal.
Done deal for wonders. That's what we're preparing.
Now what you are telling the fans.
Exactly. Our fans know that, and they believe, and they know that whatever we're telling, because in our games, We win our games in the first half. If we watch our games in the first half, we always stand. And I don't know how RTU can stop them from winning the game in the first half.
They have a fearsome attack.
The fearsome attack. Is it Wisdom or is it Babalamu or who? I know them, and yes, but we have more fierce attackers.
You know them more.
I know them.
And their coach knows them.
Yes. Coach Sapo is my senior. Okay, and I've studied his team. I watch them live, watch their videos. Okay, so I have a clear strategy on how to stop them. Okay, I know the strength of the attackers compared to my attackers. I know the strength of them. Okay, and their weakness, everything I know. So I know that yes, with all due respect to my senior and RTU, but this game is really going to be
a done deal
for them.
Tell the Techiman people in Accra. I'm sure you want to see them. What are you telling them? They should come in their numbers on Friday.
Come in their numbers. I like Wonders and this current team, Barcelona. There's no way that you can stop Barcelona from scoring. There's no way that you can stop Wonders from scoring. That's how we play, and that's why every single player can score. If we look at our fullbacks, they play like.
Well, we just some out to you and say 11 Wonders for coach David K. Yaba. And to Biana, yes, Sonny, a year coach and so Nuruddin, Sham Una Mohammed, or no, and I out to you for assistant coach. So Kasapi, so what? So coach Kasapi, then some now can at their first game, and I had my Friday game, a bit in Akosono.
All is well prepared, and definitely we are on course.
What was the special thing you did? You were relegated in the 2023-24 season. Just after a season, you are back again in the playoff. You think you did something right that brought you here?
Yeah, we did good recruitment. We scouted so many talented players, and we are fortunate to have Safo Castro as our head coach. He masterminded everything, and we are sure we will definitely be back to the Premiership.
You think the Friday game is a done deal?
Yeah, definitely, it's a done deal. There is no fear. RTU is well prepared, and definitely we are winning.
You have some 3 fearsome attackers, but of course, this is a playoff. You think Wisdom, your top scorer currently, Abdul Rashid, could do some magic for you on Friday?
Yeah, they are unstoppable. They will deliver. Nobody can stop them. So we have the confidence at the end of 90 minutes, we'll carry the day.
Your fans here in Accra, I'm sure you were expecting them. Any message for them?
Yes, they are coming. They can't wait. They can't wait to be part of RTU victory. So all RTU supporters, the fans within Accra and its surrounding, all of them are coming. And they can't.
Well, we in summer RTU for assistant coach Nuruddin Sham Una Mohammed. The two. Now, Unim say Tim Simiano Netimi are qualified to the Ghana Premier League. How are you not that qualified now for a Sword All Blacks in Netmark? Sir, 11 Wonders RTU. Now, me are my Friday game here. Just back home. A bit my qualifier now for the Ghana Premier League. Every time we see her in some doors, not a public son of pay or them on in some about Betum and BT at the water Frederick with my friend Buga.
Things about the promise and again. They must announce every wicked and bad. Nana Jiman and the boy Terry Montaka. Baba Shibemba Shibem. Baba Shibemba Shibem. Baba Shibemba Shibem. Baba Shibemba Shibem. Medi Debia and
womo ese wo ebia na nyarwa bi mu ete se cardiovascular disease ni bi how diabetes sexual weakness obi wo nso a ono nso no syphilis na asefo no nyina no prostate na kasa po no enkoyie emma no se wo timenka enne anopa ya bo modern na hwe pest knowledge natural health care for ejira kwan womo ewo eye se hwe so empomam womo any Pentecost church no na edi enemhwe obetumi afre womo ewo 05577 38555 and 0268 477 660. Meno eka say ebia o yo obia wonso so no o yo ba nemom niam nkoyi e woni paduanim oba wadru amekanfo ade ama eye konlu ganafo adoya to din se araba bazen tablet eye ma emma oba bi wa sebo ne kompamu a oda ho ani ase banchidua misrawo wonte de ma wonsanka araba bazen tablet ebe ma wonsansa kra ne mansesan no afiro ama wonso watumi atede oba ya na ensu eta gugu ya na wakosia kuma na so ekekaw wode misrawo bo modia na wonsa enka araba bazen tablet eye emama eye madru sanse burning sensation ne ho kro nyina ebetu ne nyina ase obi ho ne bema edi ehyemu a eye na oti ya ewum oba mekanfo araba bazen tablet Area buso ewo bia ye ton no bia ope eye konlunga na fo afre no won di nsa so afre 0504 906 665 and 0545 906 665 konlunga na omo edi nupa edi abadwa so enti wo so ko na kokko bi na ema enema enkoyi ema wo mada roba na pay ye hia ye de dwumadi ebrawo medane me ho aba na me ba amanyefo no aye krado ewo ha ye de ewo nyina no edi atwa so
Bravo fi, Mr. Bra na ohwe. Enra wo be phone school a wo ba mi hia no na no ne brofo. Are we hin that 7 say.
Wo de awo, mfimfim mu hima bi bia obeso hu. Eye Smart Effort College for that room.
Hey sir, Smart Effort College. Eno so the school be.
No kra eye school a omo kira de pa. Na omo de adusuafo e free crèche 1 year ekwapem class 4. Akadia ne niam bia omo de kira de no. School yi wo bi. Achechefo no so abinye pa. Yo omo koda no ho adade a omo de kira omo na omani swade hunu ne say basic school no on betra nkoda na de ama oma miti Montessori standard
Saint Sira enti na oba yaw na no ne brofo edesa no brakofi school yi de ayema kono binya ya nka me ben su beko bio
tobo omo school fees so da fom pa
me da den ka se pa ye me ba panyin no se wasi so hwe no wantwa o na me ye ne den
wo haw no anu yi ane Smart Effort College omo ya wasi remedial classes
oh sir
ai omo sa ya vacation classes Emma SHS students.
Matia Samde, woman Chirebuye.
Na de won biem ene say, omo ya programs ahodo na bi general arts business general science visual arts home science and afa technical and this am say sawodo oba equal Smart Effort College a akra ne A's and the B's re there is assured e ho no onfa akra ne nko e ma ne konya C's akopem F9 da
atia bisane asem na mpa
menu aba asem da ne say school you boarding hostel e ma wasi candidates and a basic school for ni nyina omo sign worker e fa basic school for no e free sawiyo so dwuna sempa cheva say nyina
Mr. Buame school yo no machiri kwan we hen
obehuru school yi mienu nyina wo sawiyo so sumakrom enkane baabia na Grace Preparatory School no wona hwa obetimi afre school mpainfo e wa homatrofo yi so 0245 191829 and 0531 305451
Smart Effort College and just be smart
and we will put in our effort.
Madra one braha medem pana wouldn't to be bria peti hasano ana afedi e wodane ha drastona won numunru ahodo sa da bia so honto media ye tembesi santoni na free dem a
ye mira Mr. Facha me why my madri se me sister no kra free hoda da every say me share maje nkwa 3p garlic mixture mira enu ane me last stop
na say 3p garlic mixture da bia me kan ho asem kire na won fa utinje na say the one e tuufo
mira me say me ni mo 3p garlic mixture no me fitire ko mo hawo ni nyina na etu atwakra
Piwak Natural Clinic and the 3P garlic mixture abadwas 3P garlic mixture ebo brebo ho ba ewuhuru mu yi ya rebia free wonom 3P garlic mixture ebo ma moja diefusane wo ni padua mu enti say stroke asthma IMT and menopause akuma yare moja no huso tawe wani so tabri wonsane ona taye titriti ana ya na twetwen wo honam taye obasabasa bodura ne 3P garlic mixture 3P garlic mixture and a make come for amount kai say 3P garlic mixture ya noa e garlic mu nu a ya twetwen yemfa bibia enfro e pure garlic extract 3P garlic mixture Food and Drugs Authority ahwehwe mu agye ato 3P garlic mixture ubenya bi wo Ghana fa na nyina gina say ubenya bi wo Philomena Fosia drugstore Esther Arthur drugstore Brad Charles drugstore Mr. Boja drugstore Zawura drugstore bia ubenya bi wo Boakro Madam Obakia drugstore Sankore Apau drugstore for 0248 928824 and 020-100-0021 3P garlic mixture and fully organic. Yaribia's room.
I'ma look from when you call it. I wanna rule my destiny.
Sika Krasama ya down. Abraham Memfiman Raw Bank Limited. Abba. What's this subribio? Terry Zibinary Memfiman Raw Bank Limited in answer. So you savings account, go account, current account, business in hybrid account. Now one high interest savings account and is yes. But that's yak on the Siama more fixed deposit. Now loan said it will be down. Loan a Pebusia Tokan, a Pesikaza, your BB personal loan, executive loan, Yabaya Dana Sikasuka home, a careful loan. Now Moya Dane or microfilm loan in a plus account. I'm in Fiman Raw Bank Limited. What's this Yabina Jabusia? Why your money transfer? Who now be so? Apex Link money transfer, MTN mobile money ground, ATM service, run East West service. No, Caribbean the zero. I'm in Fiman Raw Bank Limited. Head office no was sacro. E bon man so men Asenke Guasama boy. Enche body. Sashi bekwanye dwenase. Takwame. Takwatam so prestige. Corner fin. Kumase Santase. Abripo Junction ye swami magazine. Ya pretty baby. Enye nkaso 020-030060 and 020-030063. I'm in Raw Bank Limited. Your success, our pride.
Not a crown any penny out of you. You're a boy, not a near way. Malaria fever, Montabia, typhoid fever, Montabia, body and menstrual pain, Montabia, cold and jointed, Montabia. Loss of appetite, Montabia, Montabia, say a kunua, Montabia, Honam Yawuya, Montabia, no matuna sound to me, Montabia, Ayani Dani, Montabia, I want to do one, Montabia, Mono, Montabia.
Bills are canning Hubiamo. Bills set 2025 year. And it does so homo bia what you walk on the edge of my ear. Ain't if I when it's bills. Na beji loan na ubeti media ya wow ejuma. Way loan don't come me. Wun yashio. Nye wun hiane wu Ghana card. Na wun saka usika. Na sa we obi a we wow ejuma upese utremu. Anasa we ejume nia. Uchi busumi ya ketria. And your bill se bray. Na beji loan na. Wun febi BS Yawa collateral and asset deposits. We hear mubia. Ain't ya feet ye? Bill says will be a 1 year to maybe ye. Ubetumi abejin loan don't come in ubi. Nasa woods nephew na when yes he can be dear. Hey wow. Ain't if for bills says sia. It was 0596 920 833 and 0302 200 390. Now what's to me yawo bills? Name Echisha Kakrawo Bank of Ghana and Sasha Bills Microcredit Echisha Bills financing your needs.
Jojo, wabua mi o.
Kofi, man can't show some boy in your drama.
Woka ye minua, enka ne na sisi yade a ɛha me no nya agrokra na sesei die manya yaresa.
Kofi, manya yaresa enaka krebi a mema wo so adoto heba man capsules yi.
Ani Jojo, manya yaresa mretiawa yi efrise mahia owoso adoto heba man capsules. Menom owoso adoto heba man capsules na kakra bi. Me sisi yade a na ɛha me no ni nyina akɔ ampara. Owoso adoto heba man capsules ye sisi yade aduro. Enu nti me kamfo owoso adoto heba man capsules ama obiara owo sisi yade.
Aduro yi enye ma hemfo, ema wo ma nofo. Ene mofra wo nimfie dumienu. Obehu owoso adoto heba center ewo atwoma yabe. Wo kwada so kwantempo ne so. Wo po owoso adoto heba man capsules dodo atua. Frɛ won wo 0242702662
ana 0545355796.
FDA agye adwadi nkratoyi yi atum.
Abuja mama sai mo akwa ba mfa wo Emirate Weddings aha Liberty 92.7 FM so ne FM kwesi fo kokodom kaya so da pai ebra so se ye ne amanyofo no so esi nkonwa ye kom so adwenkyere efa ensema hodo a enne apiepie edwa so. Represented the NPP this morning Samo Kofi Abia or Regional Research and Elections Officer. Sarah so ena Oliver Kwesinya akon ewa ha or Regional Communication team member or also for the NDC. Kwasi, good morning.
Good morning.
Aboma.
Nyankopon adom ni ahwe yenti ye hoye.
Thank you. Same?
Yes sir.
Bibia da ye.
Under control.
Was under control under God's guidance, yeah? Good. Mama ni ka infam free ho share story and a prayer. It's all about would to be. Nah, I don't know. And I pay what kind the legal counsel for the embattled Central Regional Chairman of the New Patriotic Party, the opposition party in Ghana, the biggest one, of course. Bernard Ntubosiakon, aka Chairman Wontumi, has confirmed that his client has been hospitalized. This was after his arrest and interrogation by the state security officers. Speaking to reporters after hours of legal and police proceedings, lawyer and the MPP member of Parliament Andy Apia Kubi revealed that Wontumi fell ill during the interrogation process and was subsequently transferred to a hospital for medical attention. But what I want to know, and I say, with Wontumi, what really is happening?
Well, Medasiminia. Anopai mamemfa enchia sonko ema watiefo ne wonso a wo hwe yen ene babia mofi de kesi kodu bia na memfa enchia free regional secretariat under the leadership of Yura Benjamin Ama ema ye party for polling station executive electoral coordinators and constituency officers na yen kancho mo say obi anyere ne ho nya dwumaden party dia wo mu na wa nya dwumaden a yehu nti obi anyere ne ho nya dwumaden na minua asema obi say asifimu na reho na wabisa won say he fa na Ghana democracy yeko dia by ne say Friday ena ye nyina ye wo man mu yehu say Yura Ntubosiakon ne residence omo BCG national security for ABCG o na menua se onyamfoni bi fe a wo hwe akonde a na ekrokro mo a na menua na obisa ho say Ghana kabimam kambi no ewe na say police for eto nsa frɛ no na oka kire mo say untumi ma na adwada ye enrachi obeba because ne ho dodo no na anka police are invite you. You see, police is your friend. Police for me ya namfofo. Inti anka police are invite you. Na waka che ne say bibi ntimi ntumi ma me ho dodo me because say you could di akonwa kra ye say ye swai yade because o yade a untumi nya hwe. Inti nipa no ho dodo no na waka say me ho dodo me nti anka momma me kwanya. Na anka ho behia say national security for ebeko nakachi. Na enu free wono Monday one na lawyer for ekopiem wo police headquarters na omototo na no e granting bail omo toto na no e di asem e na omo kan ye kwa du be na omo de ball omo say 1 waye illegal mining 2 wa saying so 3 wa wura forest e na oyi ano ka kire omo say obi anim say me wontumi a me wo yi me ye miner inti me nya illegal mining na me nko saying so biara nso e na forest mu me nwura ho inti nanka asem na nya first part yenya first part awin afei na police for ebeye nhwemu se asema chema wontumi eka ye no eye no kre ananya no kre omo ma ne bill ofri ho no e no kofi na police for ye se ade achi a aye nra omra na because say ma bill so do ho be kire se bia unwane ye nti enra one na lawyer for nso ekoe na omo koduru ho no omo ni di nkomo wie na opie no ena yokufo nso ebeche no na yokufo edi asem na abayi a mobeche wontumi nsem no de bebre sem ani zi na wakoje bosia wo Exim Bank maza eka dan eye civil case o nti se wakoje bosia mosi mukura warrant no na summons letter sorry summons no o frɛ nipa ne se asem ABCD masama nti beyi anomeboa so edia na ba ya omudi tani wontumi a kosi anadwo a omo anyi no edia se no obisa ho se Ghana ye democracy no ewo he and em say ye nyinati ya no pa ye nidi ye ebia bibiesi politician there that is why we are politician me advise ya no pa wo ba pie na no wadidi because wo pie bibi wo ba ko pie ba before nti anything can happen and ye nyini ni ehunam so edodo ye nti nipa ade chi odaduro so ade chi a woni di ye definitely no bedodo no nti ni na pom din eyemre emom de ne ko hospital na nti a yenya ye ne se ba bi omo kan se omo de ne ko no kwa omo amfa na nko na anopai em se lawyer Enoch ahwere so ekasai o se omo atenenka ekodi yokufo omo medics ensam nti omo hwe anim se anopai omo de ne beba na omo abetoa investigation eso na menua se adia ekoso omamu se wo yo amanyoni titiri oyem ranti aye bai ni ketesi aye bai se wo yo amanyoni e wo se oyem hyehye because obi a oye public figure you say Ghana ha yesu se bia wadi drum waye boni bia sane ontumi nwane nti ebetuma je ne passport and every person even suspected murder that is why yedi kan ebo court dey say oh suspect until a court of competent jurisdiction abuafo ansana ebia yedi wakotuma na yatwe waso so no be say edi asem na ekosui on say politics na ye no say si Ghana ha politics anya de biemu say obi nya tumi a opese omia ni yonko na ne ho kire no but ebia nipa no obemia na untumi nku no ochina baton na besesa baton na sesa ere na ebisi ye na mo nyina no ye nuafo ne namfo e amanyosem ye nka no kre no de ye hunu ne ye nka ye mfa asem ne nto nsanie so na ye nwe asem no wo de da Ghana fo etie wo de anya da Ghana fo etie nti ye mi se ho se chama untumi mpo wa ye galamse no etoatu ana ewo ho ye mi se ho hwan na share galamse fo kutupa say wo munya galamse NPP ba no galamse na ho NDC for the campaign say NPP for to galamse nti ye de ye ba me say the last time that was last year somewhere September na me call Accra my na me ne flight no the way the man was lambasting the NPP government because who was who from minim say no kra galamse ne say asase nti mantumi mi otemenche mantumi mi ma no because me di for mitrim galam ye na e power galamse ne say asase nti mantumi mi ma no na obisa ho say edien e na kofa nsem nyina aba a galamse yiguzu nti jama untumi kwa na miner chama untumi kwa na tu galamse akombe sha ase ache ye bontoa ye ro mahama e hye yi galamse yes ne kutupa say mo galamse nti ya che mu no ye ba ye be ma mo amnesty o man amnesty what say kutupa no because we say
Mahama ne kan
okay mama president mama kan the records are there
okay so obema o amnesty
yes
ama o makutu galamse
no
manka say
me bisa question
no
manka wakasa
dabi oseti
ose mu agalamse nti yache mu no ye ba ye be ma mo amnesty
okay
manka so be ma mo amnesty no okutu galamse
okay
na wanso na se o mukutu pan biu ye wura kwakubu ahen ne Dr. Tony Oben omo ne nam galamse sata videos no wo ho say ye de ye ba ye be ma motu nti munkotu mo munto maye ne be motu nti nipa no kwa no wansa wa hye no bo say ye de ye ba be ma motu no se wo ba ba power na se wo kra wontai ai akire kra na obetu enye bi ne kosi boase ya nkrofo papa ne omoyire omukunum ehwe omonkwan because omo hye omobo on the politics no ye ya ye nhwe okenasem because ebia na NDC aba power NDC impre galamse so because ye nyina ye di adanse se galamse no ese ye kwa ye ni nsuo but asema ye kan ye no na hye omukutupa omotu inti se obi aye galamse a ye nche no enne galamse na sto ntwa yo komikrom so aman what kwan inti ye ba je say sa nkofo na omutu galamse ni ye ni momo aso ya ke omo ana uko dwa boso ko abroko feni ayi kroya owo wo hiwi abroko feni other areas no bozan mo ko hwe galamsa ekoso ya ke obi enti yenti na be 2 weeks ni bibia ni efiemu omutu galamse ya ke obi forest nim eko bungam so forest no anu hwa ye tu galamse mo didi mo awie ye tu no nti upa che say aban mpanifo amfa ho ya ke obi go to micromanchi galamse ekoso NDC for kwa no nti enya say omukwa no group mienu ehia forest for ekochi galamse yes macho men eko forest for no eko bo mo enwa sem kosi say go to akontomra first galamse o nene galamse adiateze and nkofo be 10 from January to be last month nkofo 10 na wu akontomra nti yemi say galamse ni yakon awi me nka say so bi ye galamse me support because me I have never involved myself in galamse obi anim da bia me opportunity na me address galamse meka say me galamse me nye bi da ya ban power mo ye manye bi ya ban free power manye bi so yemi say galamse ne kuna ye kono ye kono say enti chama Wontumi dia ne de eye pure we chanting because chama Wontumi ye obi a obon ho modern e wa amanyosemu wo se okọ national chairman ti NDC no pese omo chichama Wontumi na mo bubu na pre because minua sa sem we a ya kan ene boni ya chama Wontumi aye dia minua ene sanka enhia because once a police aton safra no so court na court buano fo why na betumi aka say mikoyi chama Wontumi afri court intimia die ekos no ye amanyofo a ye mrantie ne die e wo say yem hihie whether you belong to the NDC or you don't belong to the NDC also more yes because enne when you to me intimi mfa to me no enwehu bi mfa say no ochina power betumi asesa ye power no ye kan say bebre ye say NDC for ye beat him 1.5 million vote inti gise 200 years answer the maba almost mo beat 1.7 inti ochina sam nobody can determine the future. Jesus Yankopon.
All right.
Nti die ye no ye hu se ye chechiro man na sebe military era no atwamu ye hu se chechiro man ya nhwe ya ochina mesoma ban beba power ebia na de mmeye no enbia na ebechen Wontumi die no but eno ne ye pa na.
Okay. Kofi Masia ba but mamenko Oliver is it a matter said the NDC want to taint the image of Chairman Wontumi? Endina moya nyamuye.
Minu ya bema medase anopai mesre na medenchia ediama liberty etifo mesa denchia edema mankasame MC Dominic na medenchia so dema me honorable Kofi and menimuse senior Kofi Obano okachere yense shi yoso constituency for no at the end of the day all my yensa ensifom sanso na Dominic Jesin so no so boa no nenso no adwuma papa biala na se ade papa biala ye de ahye nensa biara no obehwe aye no waye ne ye menua question no esaya me de BM na as to chama Wontumi ne de na me branya kwanya wo kasa no ka bi say NDC for yahunu say EOCO national chairman. Now the question is, at the end of the day, there were 16 regions in our Ghana. There were region bia and any chairman. Into NDC for say ya boti mu pose say ya pese ya rate ya two bisosa for that national chairman position na in the ticket of NPP. Chama Wontumi nko ano ye chairman wa NPP na.
Ebia this time no musuro no.
Ebo kwan benso. Any anka the biggest target should be of omo national chairman in team. Enye Wontumi. Nanka the biggest should be of omo national chairman. Where we should call the spade within this nation. Say ye who say ye bibi na ye bone na tembia ye beshe politics echi afwa bonia. At the end of the day, was ye two as ye no the enkankana was ye two as ye no yentimin two as ye da manenye as a state. Chama Wontumi na asema NPP for jere no. I ask myself, say Chama Wontumi sabe oyi ni galam sa oyi ni gold di chere public no. Na at the end of day no NPP for ni NPP ma no the bo mu fie ma na. The answer is no. Na odi ko na busu yechi. As such Chama Wontumi as say oye regional chairman no onye nisika no onye nisika in the benefit of the family nti anka wosu no anka onsu mfra busunya ene ne ma kuo MPP kuo wa ba bedon kuo no eno nkyere say oye niema bia ensem fata sabe edi oye de eba ede beba oman ne so a ewose yetena chiri ne yehwede saa menua Chama Wontumi asem na asem nyana no ne nyana ne san na yebede se me brate ha no no wankasa kase ye frɛ no ye bisa ne se oye legal mining anaso ye galamse oso oye legal mining yeti oman we mu MPP fu wankasa tai omo lands and lands and natural resource minister is it John Abujinapo ankasa no ede ba bonten e magana fu nyina ye hunu se Chama Wontumi gold awotu no onam kwan papa so no eno di tu agudie no sabi Abujinapo oye ono so ye NDC ni
se eno no ekoba se eye adwumakuo but not Wontumi per se
but adwumakuo no which is akontamine no very good ye ka wona company ni yomode ya why not that no
but if is akontamine involved in an illegality that doesn't mean say Wontumi to also involved in that illegality.
At the end of the day,
I do agree and share your point. Say maybe our CEO and as anything
as a CEO, there wouldn't be the need say we juma di kwa ye juma abra unim bia ye kwa ye juma no ehon krata asem krempo akwa kosisen woni the front line person say you need to engineer within the affairs of that proceedings and sana enkrofo no omo take on say ebi at the catchment zone omo de amawo no omo koye ho adwuma ma yeden omo kwa koye adwuma enti yentimi nka enyi ni nsi nchen as a person eno nkoda yet Ghana heya one of your sister stations Joy a documentary about Galamsey omo ko Wontumi the site on video no minua as to media people omoko ho nkrampo no omutimi nya machos omo de omonsa ekeka wo mo at the end of day enti yeka evidences to akonta mining as Wontumi being the board chairman of the company there is no way MPP ni betimi akase bia asama abane ka no and I say asama investigations na ekoso no emu bia ni ho asade enya no kre.
But if so, is this the way we should handle him?
Is it the way we should handle it? No, me seremi bisa.
I am asking.
And also, me seremi bisa as a state. Police if one who to me, omuni who kwai say obi di bonia yechinana.
But it's not been established where di boni.
Oh, Minia.
Yes, sir.
It has not been established. So we di boni. Hey, invitation no mo de man no. Sure. Nanka he was supposed to have appeared on 21st.
21st of May.
Okay.
He was supposed to have appeared within the Nsaka letter and also show off on one corner. One man note on that day to respond to them we say be a ene me hold to me and to be intimate me amao or train ye till that minute or more EOCO for boss no as a friend uti on one conversation now or see or more friend me your friend on phone so more kindness I masa nanka was say ye no nya insiamudie bi on 21st ba ye hwe wadi mawama ansana or trade back in response say enam wenti na me yare enunti na mama inti monhwe manim on Monday which is endrech ya etwam no na anka wonso ubuman na wubuman mra any institutions a yetimi to yensa frewo na on your own decision you decide say time am pen am responding
oh but say e wo hosa
without making them known.
Say
Mensaka letter no 21st. It should have been on 20th response no. Me here 21st.
Yes.
It was a response but before 21st.
I agree. And response no uncle. And our friend.
And my friend.
And our child will say, oh, a woman say our friend, but ebia BBC says inti Ejuada meba. I hope say they also adhere to what he said.
Senior confidence ben na dan minute omunya wo mu say ebia obeba na say wo ma.
Okay.
Inti yedika to yensa fro ba wan fro bia wan ka hwe wan ma. Inti kwanya ye befa so a ye hwe a yensa beka wo no. And as usual police service one of the things omoye say omoma we invite one ma after invitation you know omutimi de omo enforcement eba just to pick you up.
Sure.
Intisadi no omoye no where from this rainbow style NPP for ka say limit democracy where limit is this the first time asabe ye kwa kwachi obi on this is na say when the first time
but at first
at
first and see you criticize say you're wrong at this time too you should be wrong
boss.
Yes sir.
What I'm saying is na say police for any who to me
omo I don't know the omo
it's omo who to me now why are we prejudging for now
who is prejudging
no I say yenyina we are all prejudging within the actions of the police or the security force omo
but then say what I say police are wrong one casa
ye fano within conversation no
yes sir
any MPP for come ka say ye dey say democracy no
sure
all because ye invite no wa ma na ye di reinforcement akoni fie inti enam sa di ninti no ye dey say and I say ye limited democracy ni dia very good na okane sa na meaning o limit adwuma police for or the within the forces no omaye den omode ya show monsa no na so mo ni hu tumi bia dia ene mo ma ye hu as a state say police for no mo ni hu akwanya they don't have every legal right on those basis say na nke what say omode reinforcement eko Wontumi fie so omko akwache no so many dia they should let us know but omo wodia then it's good we shut up and let the police and the court do their work as a political party ye hu film. That is what I just want to say. Enti na menua na ka say anase me brepen you know ka say sene to me e dia dane no ebetimi abasa ochena na to me na sesa na ba be di omonso omafa and they will also pretend in doing the same thing but okanisa umomo die no and ye be describe here no as a witch hunting because one who say ye wo bibi inti say kwanya ye for so ye nipa no say nipa no na ne hu bo mu ne ye no say so far as say ya ye bibi ni de e was say ono so obi aban ye kokko ye obibi menua there is a case within 2016 na me brati ha na wo ka no nipa no oye MP still now na oda ye MP ayi sakrowe ayi nofton omo MP nofton omo MP odani den manajo ena musoma police investigative bodies no omo ko fan obi oyampi oyampi sabi or by within the boxer or said the boxer and or the bar police station within 2017 obi ya to abaji no you are talking about chairman party chairman no be a state na to abaji na the BBI is being funded by the state in Krampo no more than fasa akwa ene so. Enti what are we ranting about here for now about Wontumi? Yete Ghana ha no yenim se Wontumi galamse champion okwose sa China fo ede omugu kwa yenim ana
wonim ne sa
oh menua just recent ya China fo nansanya ye kwache China fo ama confirmation from China fo nankasa no omo say they are mining for akunta mining na ye Wontumi and odiom ko akunta mining hwan dia China ni no free China bedu Ghana ha no free ho happen no kwa yenim that is no enti they are wrong no moma yenka galamsey na mebra osakika kika galamsey na look yaba Mahama never supported say yaba be ye galamsey but Mahama supported say ye de kwan papa beto ho ama small scale mining ya ye ni ye. That was the policies of Mahama. And also until a good board policy no ye unveiling no ye can never clear about kwanya a good board will be run dealing with the small scale side. And only ensure ye papa ye deba and I say ye de to ho amo mine obi ehu. But the enye no I'm not sitting here to say be and this ye nin crofo mo ye galamsey. Emra yemra. Nipa bia ne hu bom so ye ndisi so ye NPP. Nipa bia ne hu bom bia no omo nkwache no. Inti minimum crampo ne ye ba konya so nense ye minimum crampo amente ye no. We heard of some MPs bi mu a omo dinya ba out asebe. Omo nim say omo ye sa ne ma ne bi. And I won't sit here to support this enkanka. Say me ye ndisi ninti. Enti me ba betena ha say me ba be support it. Me bre pehin kasa no kasa akontombra no munye ayi na galamsey wo ho but na nya yi before 2016 there wasn't galamsey na akontombra district eye galamsey free zone no munye galamsey wo babia but as to ene ye kasa sisi ye MPP regional communication director o man kasa o makurase nyamye diso galamsey ye to abawie ye nansanyan galamsey koso ye na ye ko ya ye stop ye kasa sisi ye omo excavators 2 at the site sisi ya
let no anyone quote you wrongly say ebia o be kase MPP communication
me can say onu mo
anunti na me sisi dua say na be ya no enko kase wa betra ha
no dabi me can say wono but me can mo mahunu say baabi o man kasa o makura wo
yes
baabi o makura wo e ho na ne papa wo sisi a ye di command pay
I agree
there was a galamsey going on right under the eye inti yawo yankasa yankrofo bi mu wo party ni ma we've seen them enti the enye no let's go the spade
go mo party mo hu
oh both side of the NDC MPP I won't sit here and say you MPP nko na say okuo bi nko ne nkrofo a ye de ade no e de adwira wo mo de enye no enye yet your man we mo how miner can go to the forest ye beji samland edi tumu wa Ghana ha 2018
but mementi bibia say with chama Wontumi dia no if say police and EOCO more evidence say obi ayese
ya
se nipa no enam kwan so ko no fie na afi na modicas ko cross no assign arrest no why not send a time or what the police headquarters no monko ho se nipa we so see ahwe na mo so monje from there
good with that decision no it falls within their section into one sitting here no we are dragging the whole issues pursuant to politics. And as to EOCO, see the omoye omojuma, I can't decide for them.
But should that be the practice all the time?
what is wrong is wrong.
Okay.
I won't sit here to condone say it's the best. But anya then invitation be a invitation, arrest be a arrest. But as to how it was conducted and handled, any be a hunu sem from so what they are, no problem to that. And yen na yakwako ye nipa going forward, we correct ourselves along our ways. But the enye no, mumba ye hunu se enye senior broad daylight in Zaura, session in Zaura. Galamsey fokura tuo broad daylight to tuo wo MC fie won Zaura. Former yes, me can say broad daylight session in Zaura, which is the former DC na gratifie. Galamsey fokura tuo ebe tuo woni fie out of the bad inti. Galamsey yao.
But Oliver, hold it there. Best thing about Honami call Kuvio. Kuvi share the arrest and the way Enyama AC Corso and with the actions of the NPP supporters, where even Wontumi attack 2 police officers. When you sit back and hear things like this, how do you feel?
Yeah, say NPP supporters attack 2 armed men. Me, I don't call them police because they are not police. They were not police members. Yeah, unfortunate because omo ye abambofo a omo boy ho ban. Me, I always say adia enye me de no ini se me de ye me nyonko because me there be can say because of politics now be boom in somewhere obeka chem say oh me nua enya hwija menka but me say no obumu o say me life inti adia me ya emfa nkoso I be say nipa brabo de I don't do it na me nua no e kan say Wontumi omo frɛ no fine omo frɛ no e bia wanko wabu mraso police for no omo frɛ no sebe omo ni 9 police for no omo to nsa frɛ no omo ni 9 because police is different from national security. They are all security enforcement agency, but police, they maintain peace and order. Police here now for. That is why first a police force and a police service. Force no just Wontumi bebre. Nti first no balance barracks. And the police for 30 you feel me a man temu. You know money. Nti police is our friend. Nti time ben and a constitution exercise say police don't serve Robi. Now want to me and qua I say a national security for neko. Police for no omo offer. And omo bodyguards and so national security for na. Inti asema abano yen can no kwenda won because me na me yo oye minu aketwa. Politics no ye bi mu osoro na bi mu form. Oye minu aketwa. And said that chimbi bibi ba. Mamum na mnu bia o. Eno na make also want yase no. O kan sem bi say Northton MP Oku Jeto Abrakwa ebia na refia se bia na constituency na South die okay no problem inti adema damia fako okay me the oka no me but o say politics da bia make say politics na ye no and na wanya to me inti also this is nipa na inti say set sa antwa yi o kan say Harry Krum yeah 2 Galamsey under his watch and Harry madam for amenen we minu aketo amenen nam se opobia wakun Galamsey e wo region mu a Harry opobia wakun Galamsey pa e wo region mu a Harry say in edi adanse say Kariado opportunity bi obenya Galamsey asem bia no o de tudwa ono na se sia ogina mu a okun akontomra o say Galamsey issue no say yeye ni too political ebekwa be wiye so because Galamsey issue no who say who prevent no adesa wada untumi ko ja wore no ma ho ko chisi Galamsey and the mine in the night inti wo no say na obeya kodu ye nyina no asodi a e wo say ye de to ye so but ya manyofon because say ya show mukutu panti ena sa na ma we mi never because all over the place apart from Bia East ni Bia West
babia regime omutu galamsey babia onam kwa ho so omutu galamsey nti ede na e ken ma ye nya ne say oh ye de ya ban aba because ye nim kofo a ndc ba ye omo ne nam ya ban aba. Last time I had opportunity and I'm in one abotete or from Seminkuja or that's a menenam. Community be a duye. And this ni ekoye. Ako jisika. Say ya man about power. Yen to say be bromudi. Timba and some ya ekosu yina or mochichi timba na jo madam or task force yina. Because ya ban banti. Now what ba I will say a prim puntu edba. Intiminia. Chama Wontumi asem no. Ya my yen kaso chama Wontumi wa display gold. Ose obi an lifestyle obu wa opeyem yenhwe say gold no o display ni yankasa aban de o yankasa o say ni gold na amafo bebre e kire say display no ehun hia o say edu ba bi achama Wontumi na ntesem kakra wonimu nti wa display gold eno bone be no waye say ya o em de so say ya chain kofo bi o mo say achama Wontumi e de on bai nti eno bisa say akosi zai o mo che o makosi zai say ye kan asem ne tra sa amanfo mutie nso betie ni tra intiminua asem na aba nanka wo ye young politician anko so ka say die omo ye enye because next time say una mo na wo yira oneneti na NPP abamba power na ye ba be ka say wo ye no ye abanja pade a wo beti ase enye because say ya no obi edi to me because say chama Wontumi e ka sa bebre obi edi to me inti ye need to me near chama Wontumi no ka say on competitive regional chairman inti regional chairman so fine say regional chairman bi wona wa ye bone a ye betumi aka because say the side bu o mind there ye nko ye nim inti chama Wontumi je wa ye no say wa ye bone a emra ani but menua say police are invite you na police ajao say ko EOCO asem e ba mu inti EOCO at least Wontumi investigate no na munya no dan say mo tran hwa mo han o hawo na mo han na ya asem but Oliver we a young man me pese wo te ase say ye koya so bi ya ade na se enya bo mode na ka se oh ade we de na enya ne kwan so na ye nyina ye hu ye nim ba ya nya blame game no na ye no so oh we ya me we ya wo me a me di na gu ano aproka na cheche say you do me I do you aha inti wa ye me no sa na bia next time but yem fa no nchekere ma medical can say ye nyina anuanom ne adamfo wa ba power niam ye hwe say aban ne beye ene say nsem a mo ka kire ganafo say ye ba ye de nkokon nketenkete beba anka wo ba he so na be boda ro say oh ye ba ye nkokon nketenkete de aba nto bia nkoje ne de oh na gold board en fa so be ni nya wo so oh ne en fa so be ni ye make small scale mining small scale man gold board now what are they gold board in your no gold board no gold board no we had a sector that is controlling the gold sector
but we never had gold board
yeah I do agree say make say continuity some better one so no change omo den here gold board mboa
me too
yes nti omo change ni gold board nti na your sector omo hwe gold ni so nti me nua gold ya ye ken gold ye ba ye hu say gold no na ofom ye pagam inti moti gold boy modi gold board na ba no ye expect say ebe kosoro na ne ma akọ
but say ne NPP dey ja o dey bia be kan akosoro
oh enu one ton
but say
am say enu one ton yes make me see enu one ton
almost 30 tons
yes ye 30 tons 30 tons ya bros master kayasu
NDC buy omo dey em fa say 8 something na be ka a point
yeah enu one yes but master enu one ye ja 30 tons and am dey some bibia ka enu one ton ndo Oliver nyabutre na
but say wo mo di bia ka yes
what you say am anka ho so
what did I say I didn't say gold na ye nya no ye Ghana japade inti yesre say sa huhuru anu ne we no emfa oman koso emma because mo kan sem bibiri eno na Ghana ni ehwe say nsema amokan no nkokobwo nketenkete no mo de beba na nkofo anya adwuma ye because mo budget bunkura no e osa
ka say MPP zo kan sasem na bi
nkokobwo yes yanka nkokobwo da
anya MPP na mo
yes see no anya MPP but see ya can say ya can man ya say poultry adwuma no yes and e be increase no say e be ya animal products ayekra no ebe minimize so we didn't say nkokobwo nketenkete
na say we so ma ha ma so no so ebe chem nkoko
That be Kayasu. I want you to be fair with me here.
I am very fair.
No. I want you to be fair with me here. I'm saying here.
Okay.
Just I sent me say nkuko buon kete policy. Mokaye. But saying nkuko buon kete policy.
But we read this manifesto and there's nothing like nkuko buon policy.
Say whether it wasn't the manifesto.
But I do agree. Say Mahama said.
Inti mama say na America. Say nkuko buon induka say or can say your branch executive move am okay, so can say
sure.
Yes. Inti nkuko buon kete okay no. Branch executive o mobile yi. Branch executive hwe say omusu benya nkuko buon kete ni bi aye. And only issue say adwo no. Mobile mo can say mo the Women's Development Bank ebeba. And you shouldn't forget say nkuko buon kete no in their budget omo can say they will provide for 55,000 household. Ghana fine. Inti yemi say I say sa promise na wo de share nkofo na omonya gidi omu no. Mo to me provide. And only issue mo can say mo be establish Women's Bank na aboa ema adwadi. Women's Bank mo budget mu sika mo allocate here 51 million. And perhaps ye in says a certain up a bank no e be require 400 million, but Metias here say 51 million a startup capital. Mon conference started offices name women am I? And your biggest campaign messenger Emokaye 24-hour economy. 24-hour economy you can want some because I personally say the 24-hour economy is not a policy, it's a demand driven. Inti a demand driven. Inti no some of it. Because 24 economy ye church mu can say dia na mfaso a ibinya western of dia mfaso na ibinya sa niema no na wo say yeka na mo abai mo hwese nkofo no ensaka
anya about would to be arrested.
No, the problem is if somebody commits a crime, I'm not saying he shouldn't be arrested. Say nipa no commit a crime, but ye hwe ekwan na ye dey faro na me say enye ma democracy.
I'll come back.
So da fia makpo say mo china say a whole member of parliament process was not a more chain start china and try you, but ye say so we should also condemn into yan say yan na broadcast system ana say Oliver what you way na yaba ye ba power permit Oliver or you not one ya manja pade na me by force
mama befa okay
yan say be yi yan fast and chichiro man
Oliver ma mintil on this na for you move on
me that's it say me bra wa kasa bebre and DC as to Wontumi issue la what the be brain or the abeshishe but what the who dance say yeti how no pay dollar was almost 17 cedis and yeti hey dollar rate 10 cedis 40 pesos and pay ama me ma na sabe no cra $100,000 or kwa bonti no ko fani ma $100,000 the projections and I was what the kahono was almost 1.7 million Ghana cedis and san wetimia fan yema ye kasa no pay out of sasikano me ma mini kura just 104 million Ghana cedis otimi fan yema mane ye den e mane ye kasa no pay ya and aso ti he ya ye kasa ye ya petrol ya ti petrol swama GPRT4 ayeden ati case kaso ye kasa no pay ya niema de brainer ayese ateki shape obia taxi driver me ma me na owo dwam a wo di dwa no obia hunu say ahotoso ayeden aba obitimi gira ho ka say oh mahama na mamuo we mu de na say within the first 5 months we say ya na ne ma be kode a eni yeminu mahama betena so wa endra I had a personal encounter with obia wo ye NPP ni pa oye weda onu ankasa ekokumase ekofa ne maba menene trase ya ye di nkomo no se minua as to say me ye NPP ni no nkyere se mahama aba na niyama timi koye di mamia 2028 mekwa akotoma aba de ma NPP osi ni projections ano oye no o kire mi omoda de bi osi sa dade we within 2024 na ye ba no ni ye tomba akumbia 34 Ghana cedis osi just imagine say 2 weeks ni makokuma se akwa ne yema me ko ye no dollar ne so wat kakra entimi nya no wono hwa onya ni 30 cedis ana ode baaye osi obedu ha no oye na adwen se ni oton ni 32 cedis na ni dia ye 2 cedis
or say just this week ya sa tesu wo Kumase e turn 26 Ghana cedis one infect na wa ayeden in Sakraya aba ono na fane bi, and he was telling me say Charlie 2028 niema akose ya mentuma aba mfa ma NPP na meshe mi musunyafo nso say omonto aba emfa ma NPP projections na ye de ba na no bi no sa galam say issues akwakofa we nyina by on good board settlement good board na ye mede o say omumom e generate gold is it 30 tons na what generate gold 30 tons na wo wie ye no sabe dianka nhyehyɛ yanka na wo say wo de ba emani ye no was ejapade deal na mo ni musunyafo mo ba besesa Ghana ejapade kesiye sei e de koma busunyafa na oman no eda ho but mahama ba ye no ohunu se da bi se mejinem na medwene mabusunyafo ho amenwene oman ne ho de ye enka mo ame nti awasa medi oman no edidi nkan nti minti bibi te se Ghana Cocoa Board se ne ye ya ye wo Ghana Cocoa Board no a Ghana na hwe Ghana Ghana na hwe ye koko ne ntoye amye de kwa ma no ne no minti gold board na individuals a omo ba Ghana to trade on gold no mu yo mo de ya profit no e de akono e beka wo manim minua obegie di say ye one mining firm bi wo Ghana ha. That was 2 weeks in. There was a report to be a buyer under that mining company. And for so dear since a mining company ne ba Ghana hano wabinyano as to your population for now, which is the 32 million population per ye head no company ni betimi tuya nipa ba kumbia 2,000 cedis every month out of mining a year wa ba Ghana how, which is a private company, a foreign owned company. On what me about be a gold a mining firm wo ha et me at gold wo ha et the kwama no ne akoton ama report na ba ye no betimi atua per head 2,000 cedis a adenti na oman no ye nyina mu say at the end of the year nkasa ye top gold ni mfam from ho na ye to wi a ye mfa kwama no ne na mfa so na ba oman nim mahama timi de san hye ye wi e de yaba na ode ba ye no say the projections. See how our city stabilization is being formed. And kwaka yenu animo beka a global crisis is it China for ni America for or more tax no more yeno and no in a generate way. And I ask myself to say, is Nigeria not part of the global countries? Is Cote d'Ivoire not part of the global countries? Is Burkina Faso not part of the global countries? So why is this say omo currency no enti take shape? Ghana cedi no take shape. As we are speaking right now, yeti hanu paya ye kesei. Oko best 10 currencies in Africa a bomodem pa na Namibia ne dinkai. Ghana at that fourth as this morning a ye kesei. And just matter of 5 months, you see the not me benya who didn't even done the South Africa omusidia omusika omudie. When a chile a jumasuno kwa mahama oba ye no or the aba beto na home for so dia day abba. And our brothers always, I don't blame them. Into amuno mu use global issues and omo de ball my name. And Kenya somebody yanka if what me Russia no you claim for what me nyantokwa. Now Russia for the Ukraine or more to a bomb wo mukromu no or mutimi to bomb e wo mukrom na bomb ne meto Ghana ha so at the end of the day NPP form yet yes ye na ye bre wo ho o because omo bomb no mo to no enya infect e wo Ghana ha na sameda den so no omo debt to GDP omo debt to GDP omo growth omo bibia e ka kwa nim esen ye Ghana for. It's about time we need to avoid using global things to influence the affairs of our nation. Na ye hunu kwanya ye befa so a ye bechechere man. Nti ye de o masha wonsa o chichire o. Enye wabusu ye nti na wo ba ye o. But wo hunu sa na wo de kwahye wabusu ya da se wo de wabusu ya de dinka ya at the end of the day oman no ebeba gu so otiso enu bi na eto mo no. Nti as to chama Wontumi issues now no minua dear enya no enye and metena ha me kind me say andis ni bi mpo bo ma. I'm not here to condone galamsees. and I say even Mahama nankasa onu ankasa mpo aka say o yan this ni na why you wadwen say galamsey na wo be ye dia and you meaning say you stand to be an anti NDC person because pay the welfare of the party and party ni gina ho a na yetimi akọ anim but what in kikanwa ebeka party na at the end of the year projections ye kone saying that should be the question and teacher ma Wontumi na eyemede se meka ya no kato so otimi tena TV ani so TV ani say me na matumi gold na ka say gold ni ye ne dia eye ne dia na asase be no kotu ni wo asase ne ye omanya asase sa asase no kotu ni wo ma wan fam na kwan so wantu no eno na sisi a emna ne say omotwe na gina mnanim no muni nadi enti munja chama Wontumi na oman no eni nindi na munja isa influential political influential na mo ye police ni nkrampo gina ho a ono esiki for buying body amamo no mutimi ye ya e assault police for na me brat ha na ka se ohunu omo se omo ye sik police for and o ka sa me blame no ayawaso wasi we gomba elections mode monkasa mode mo body gas until you know where you are creating this thing from and amodi omo kwa ayawaso west omo ko dra to trust him until the mo ye bi da no muhunu say ni projection na near pie wo baby a modine say e the same format but enye the same format NDC ye de emra enhye ye pa ene ye de ato ho si ye di bu o man no enti ye kasere monhye yen as to Andra metiti bin krampo no almost a parliament in resume omo minority for monko parliament and I was like wow at the end of the month ye pemusa muntena fie na nka ye mpe tablet mamo na mo observe the proceedings in parliament wo mu fie or because you are not up to the numbers muka ho a entosini ena munimu nso a entosini mimi amami fa wensi within 92 when we say 92 to 94 parliament we never had minority ye buman mani ye din hye ye papa e de to ho e mani ye not this time round into almost o mo nko e no mo nko a kwaya ye fa so ye bu o man within 92 ebesi 94 ye timi chechire Ghana amamra amenne omanya sutumi ejina so say kwaya ye fa so wa yi CJ no they are not in support of it no kwaya ye fa so ye chechire sa amara no samre no mo ni ho.
All right. Ma menna Oliver ase na me fast da enfama seahorse ma hiti probo no ekoso anu ti ze am no kase ko na kokoto sa seahorse oil no ebi seahorse oil no oil engine oil e digu ye kam na emom ukoto seahorse engine oil na mesro carefully wo bie so a lid no hwe wo se bibi ewo cap no se unya hu se ntworo bi ewo ho a eno ano no unya hu ntworo bi anasa sticker bi ho ba congratulations you have won something now what frɛ number no ewo ho no or provided amount of frɛ na wa share wo code no e de akoso then you claim your cash prize or other item na instantly wonsa ebeka no eno nti ubetumi awene bibibia edi ese efata amount from 50 Ghana cedis to 5,000 Ghana cedis. Mobile phones, iron rods, irons, fans, fridges, TV, any other ultimate prize mutise abobo ya ubetumi edi nti upenje mu bi o ma frɛ 0540 4243 86 and 0243 218556. Sorry, 0243 218566. Say seahorse mahiti promono enwa ensem eno. Dawood force men kan so mo di nro na badwa so. Nro mo di abadwa so Dawood 360 capsules eboa ama mema etumi gina wo nan so etu rheumatism so ase ye Dawood ointment no ye dey fight joint pains, general body pains and afi rheumatism, waist pains. Ye Dawood herbal mixture wonu ma to untumi ni die malaria na hawo ulcer ana de what the modern one sa enka adrebi na ebetu ase e de ama abuso pharmacies na home ko na kokodro de ana obefre 0244885437 0201681717 woko gada hadia baby aton adrubia no wonsa ebetumi akabi sara nso so ena anapaya me no kasa yi born agrofo se men kan kyo se wo mo de eye King Kong abadwa so na King Kong na che no o mo asan akwakofa eye edu papa de aba eno no obetumi aboa ama wafuo na wo ye no atumi aye kama sanse wo mo eye King Kong ye product bia wo mo de hye afuo enti se wo pese wo hye wafuo na wotumi eduadua wo no bae no eno nti ena no pay me kamfo eye King Kong de ama wo nya King Kong na end disappoint wo da wo be do wira no ama ewira no atumi aye den aye kama ma afuo no so no ne ye no aye mre enti kope eye King Kong granules ibi eno no wonya bia eno ano no afuo no ebe hye ama so wotumi aye afuo no bia atumi aye kama eno nti bomode na pay frɛ eye adwumaku a wo mo de King Kong ebaaye ewo 0246 519012 0246 519012 KIT Solutions wo mo so computer won se na fa bedan wo mo se wo laptop no niam nkoyi ewo mu na wo desktop nso niam nkoyi wo de fa nyina bedan wo mo wo ba o mbesiesi e de ama wo phone na say iPhone na say Samsung products ni nyina wo mo ewo bi e wo mo sanso ewo de nyina ho accessories wo mo services no ebi se wo mo installation ema wo laptop and wo desktop ni nyina wo mo ewo GPRTU abro sign mu a wo mo NML com na dia nim hwe obetimi afro wo mo ewo 0245404140 ana 0245796770 me say wo mo NML com na edia nim hwe wo mo eben big brain sara so na enne ope baby ama ho no ada eno ene Maxven Guest House ewo so we also garden Main Street na wo mo ene ICGC asori na edia numhwe se ope baby ada adwodwo ho ana ope baby ede ma hoho your rooms ni nyina so well furnished with air conditions nti obeda ada ba ho atọ ye 24-hour security ewo honom ye car park so kese ewo honom ti wo de ho ebon ya woni problem me say ye was a we also garden Main Street nso a ye ne ICGC ni dia numhwe fra ye 0544 161171 and 0248217788 with himself 0553520805 Lawson Herbal Center omo ena ede delay man capsules ede aba adwaso a eboa ema mema etum egina omo nanso eboa adwuma wo mpam se wo temenka se si ya so a Lawson Herbal Mixture dupa wo a wo de diabetes hypertension Saram so na wo cholesterol no ekoso pese eba forma ma wonsa enka bi typhoid fever jaundice menstrual disorders na afi obi anani ehuna de yi wo de ene Lawson Herbal Mixture na Lawson Law Care no eno na me kanfo de ama obi biara se wo ho a wo temenkan na sebe gonorrhea how syphilis how white candidiasis ene genital herpes de nyina no bomodin ma wonsa enka Lawson Law Care enwe abuso ewo bia eton aduro bia wo wani akiremu ewo babia eton aduro bia na se drugstore bia mu a wonsa ebeka bi eno nti ko Ericus Pharmacy Kingswalk Herbal ena afi ko Okanshi Drug Lane nso abuso ewo ho Allo Herbal so benya bi ewo mo nchen ana we frɛ Lawson Herbal Center for ewo 0242 133 577 ana 0248 619 999 Baminsan enko Oliver ho na yenkonko hwe ye second story for today answer ebi ebema etiefo no so akwanya mom so ede o madwonche ababeboaye ene anapaya na asema ewo ho etosumi na o se edi ho nkomo had to do with it has to do with ECG wo mo containers ho nsɛmsɛm na containers nsɛmsɛm wo mo se ayira wo mo nkane ho nsɛm go ya ECG wo ayira ECG wo ayira ECG wo ayira na de titi mu a de ababedru bia yadri na Oliver
Menuya
what follow asem we ache and is it a matter say sa ECG containers nsɛmsɛm no ECG for dan kasa ɛna wɔn ɛyɛ nhwɛhan na sɛ aban no ɛna ɛma sisi a amanfo interest ɛnkɔ ansɛm no because aba yɛaka ho asɛm a sisi a no yɛgye gu hɔ.
Sir, my friend says, I pop it up.
Sure, I understand.
Yeah, as I pop it up. And yes, be a buy no na only interest. And we need to recommend John Jenapo on Sir ECG, which is the energy minister, on Sir ECG issue way. And see, at times, the yomo can say, Abainse Sanya ba emboa. But Abainse Sanya way, am yehu the enkanka na eroti within the side of the ECG. Now at the end of the through John Jenapo nsaso, ekopie. Now, on this note, you know, na shasi nyina no me find say the story was say through the transition team no na it was verbally communicated say ECG containers biaba na with number no na 3,000 containers na omu wie ye transition na yini omu ye wie ya handing over bar so from 6th January coming no na oye na adwene say okohwe nkara time na okohwe nkara time no kohunu say 3,000 has been reduced to 2,500.
It was around 2,600
yeah,
plus.
2,600.
Yeah, sure.
Enti eho na erase that alert say no, it could be say bia niema bi nye den enko ye. Enti omonko port ho enko survey grounds no ehunu say containers na mpampa eno ano no and omuko do ye no per report omo after report findings and omo say omo nya 1,300 meaning the ajira no enu so twam almost 1,003 and a oti committee say the committee should investigate and see say babia e bi kan obi ya no omo bi hu enti sisi a findings when ye per the committee report omo nya no na yembisa say even though say yenya ne for now through the transition team no verbal communication was 3,000 on paper no 2,600 sisi ya hu 2,637
yeah sure
emudi ye hina yemfa say 3,000 no and I say 6,000 and 2,600 and so na the abegu so no enu nso free he enti investigating into this still na entire but mahunu say minuan mashase ebo say ayi omohu nti omohu no e was say aban no e de se chawpaw e de bre within then government say omo yo madwen so mum yehu bibi anaso mo de akosie and on factual grounds yehunu bi ano mo melty per their checks John Jenapo kase ni so an Indian company ye light ahoma no akwa guni ho a menka ne say ha ye be friend alomi ye meltiness alomi. And at the end of the whole tag and so on, nani nyina e possess the tag of ECG. And the NPP for minority pooling no mu police no. Say aban so on chopper na so on ye bibi no. I don't know. I didn't know monchen. This is the first set or the first phase of the investigation. Yenye bibi amaninsi. Na ye who say ideally so verbal communication by no 3,000 no was opposed to that. And I said the written 2,600 no and when I was here for near we are yembisa said ye be good so the news free. So it's a credit and one of the men can say Juma under the energy ministry or my ya I am a fair and many move freeway and say move freeway or me ya and I can hear doom so ena dumso but dumso no utiminya aban sika and I say aban de bia yobi e de hye wonsa se diso through the energy ministry ema wo diso 8 years want me run proper checks and maintenance on the light or on the lighting system amene ene light no sabi transmission lines ni mu bi breakages abuba bibem ama some section of the total voltage a was no entimi flow no you are here putting it on say dum so aba but momo de no na ye den okwaka almost ye de ne ye dum siesie entimo ye dum siesie na mo ye nsiesie pa e wo man ni ma anka 2636 containers light ahoma emu bia ni ho a akosoro na mo bo man na boro and I say mo boy yankasa mo bo man na boro na say mo bo hwan ya boro. And at times I weep within myself for these things, and it's about time say ye duru baby ni aka say ye the all sectors ni nyina de ye politics a emboaye. Energy sector is one of the sectors a emene bia menya kwanya bia I say it. Enti sabio mi amiti hey me kwaya electrical works. Why do I need to speak tolerance to electricity or power generation? But anka this time on we call for expertise. Put away politics. And this is in government. Let's deal with expertise. Problem near day. Is it transmission breakages or because your landline no yenya ediguso within some period of time? Ekesia see the ashase no oye no like traveling no enko ne sabiem. And breakages bama eno so lead to sa niema no. And the expertise to come on board. There was the Yadema contract and Yadama contract. And was here say your lines in Libya, Yassano. Your transformers now you using no as to say a beer, Susumini te catchment area no, your transformer, your diaba. Your using no within couple of 15 years. Who say a ya fidie a ya dadie. And within 15 years no structure no the lifespan no a year week. And was here Sano. Ni a better ha near the politics. Where did doom swaba? Where did doom see a siaba? Without calling to find realistic solutions to these things.
So the best solution is saying.
It's the best solutions ever, no? And say John Jinapo Yedana see who containers no. As to NPP for say ye doom see say ye doom so say ye dear bad no. They never find better way in getting it done. If they never find better way in getting it done, Yahunu ahumano ehumani nyina yahu dia wasa yedigu ayi lat post so ema yesesa transmitting lines ni nyina hunu say aye okay no bear in mind with us na ekobase bia we wase yesesa mo transmitting lines no enti schedules no mu nya kanea no se ne ewose ekagina so a ewose mo ni abani nyina mo kwadre kro and ade ba kwa na ye meya. Say Oko Parliament and so they have their people to chair within the energy committee. And with all this thing discussion, you know, omo share within their committee now. Omo candidate there, omo we are within the political phase. No ma besa asem no. Into omo besa asem na with that committees, you know. Yem bisa say solution ben and omo generate the mayen.
Okay.
Enti ye be kasre. This time ye hu a am I Tony within the line of politics? Now, we have expertise who are willing to do the work, get things like snatch off. Say a be free hop recompe and see away. Nanka was on in October. Who beside ECG for Greek of one cast report? It should have happened within last year October, but Omujina say a betuaba out of politics.
Kovi,
Minya,
what do you say?
Minya no, and Sema or Cano. Also, there be a catcher say, Damn, some catcher and say ye addressing national issues. Manning your margin say, or your campaign season.
Oh, but in so I can't ask him.
But it's the Jawa near the as well. But before I make question, who's all can do last him? No can you mass him? And then Minu in I talk near money be. No reference no ankasa ni minister e can say omoni good afo na gwadifo shia omo can say
2 months time 60 days
in the 60 day period no incubation period no enye adwuma ene ye nyina enim ye kodwa so eto nema nema ma afo inti mane nye se nema ba afo because atiefo no sebe
but in a way say any spectacle about dia
then now okoto aba for mo kire me eno ati me small boy ne me small girl no mo school o say Milo na motor no 55 no 75 cedis in Accra
but and they are
anya ten nto ba ko na wo
ayi 75 cedis sachet kase pa no say kase pa 75 cedis
aba for
ma for
yes inti me kire wo say niema ne de asema ye
but say see a car boy atete so
car boy atete so ye nyina nim say
mene what you also ya take car boy
mate me ya we na ye nyina nim say fuel price no ekosora omutumboa eba for mo teso and since 2019 this is the time of fuel abo aba for pa this is the time
this is 2019 this is the time so
you yes omoti fuel boss that is
the niema boss
niema boss
we are sure
master
then you and I
atiefo be
I was say ye ma wo mo a wo mo ton niema no hu ne say wo mo so ebu ye
ene de ye be ya from de
yes
but the bus stop at their end
car was all kofa no ya teso nia baby akwa kofa niema no
car fa no kwa mamwe car fa no unim say GPR2 for e ka say 15%.
Yes,
drivers no entie eno am entie station bia musta station bia no more drivers for ne ka say 15% no e too much for them
but we are so 15% nobody here
but too much on them because says papers MR form into the matter so I don't have any problem because no I didn't have a form
pot duties above form
papers we are talking about 60 days incubation period now minister eka because on him say niema na adwadi for no akofa no emfiri ho system because on some beboka but ye nyina no say mompa ye say manu mamunya din say niema ba form a we all enjoy into no de mnia ai omo tie ye no ebeka ai containers
yes sir
nse ye da nyame ase say ye nua minister onya tumi na kan say containers no ho actually na containers no ayira na containers na ba na minua no am say oye engineer
so I was asking say containers omo ko hin
eno ni asem no me ba ho inti I say minua no engineer inti onimba bia containers no ko ayo because o say cables ewum and containers no so menu ya we say omo ni screw tu niam ewum omo say
light say ebi mu de so o de obi mu de ohun ye no de ye exact
inti omo de na de ohun ye no
eno de kan asem
eno betumi aye nsiesie na oka no menu
eno no de kan asem
me ai say asem ba aye nyina affect ye because ye da sumu a e ba aye nyina inti ye da nyame ase say containers na ba na sene minua Oliver engineer Oliver echechire mu no saba hifa na call ya aba that is the big question because eba ya no obi anka ba bia containers ne koye aba omo chechire mu but obi anka containers ba bia koye say obi mfom so ana say containers eno na 2 year say obi deliberate attempts obe akoton niam na container ni mu a omo miehu na nipa no yemfa ne famra concern ye politician yewura Wontumi politician amo say wakoye galamsey amo chenu ha nu galamsey for bebre enam freely adan na mo de mo nkwache wo mo wia containers na menua container no oba wakam bebre ade ani ehun ye dadum so mo me na wo nyina yin say ye dadum so na aya na wo de kwahye engineers ni we wo mi say no say ade asonko na NPP abanye ya light ni gina so and ye nyina enim difference wo msisi a eno na oboase low shedding aba oboase for omoche time ombeda kanem time ombeda sumu inti dum so na ba and dum so na aba no effect na ekọ Ghana for so eno ni asem no because dum so na aba no omo ye costo esu mo ankasa mo communication member ohine babo amame won tape no kase dum so aba dumso aba ye nyina di adanse nti ekwanya e fa so e best of dumso no any problem containers there
da be no hine babo ma ko communication member
communication member ndi sira
da be
ache and the 50 last year ina
no I don't get it
odi wunnim
da o hine babo ma ya journalist
me say wunnim
no
maza
no let's be honest
elwemba
let's be honest
mi bebisa kosa
bisa me
da ben
bisa me pacho allow him
da ben enawo wajira ha ai bo party hu bi dahuro say party wise odi hu ada say o kasa say ne meka say da what can be that
that mean
so We are journalists.
But yeah, me a journalist.
Yes.
But if a journalist who say I buy way I see now or can.
It doesn't. Maybe you've not listened to the communication of maybe I unya agenti.
Oh, I buy Makola.
Wakola no. Osu adwuma wo ho.
Makola.
When they want say ni. Wunu adwuma ba wan say ni.
Don't worry, carry on.
Okay, nti ono ankasa ahun say heat na eba no anodin. Nti o ka kire energy minister. Say dumso Abba.
So why not say this time no the communication or about air communication?
Dabi ono
wasu say
ko PRO e wo forest commission mo fa ma no. Nse say ono mo tu adwama so. Me wana yi wo ha. Wasu so ko PRO ono fa ma no. Wo party bi aba me say juma wa che wo. Party bi aba mo ko opposition da. Dabi wo ya professional work as journalist. Wasu so ko PRO ono fa ma no. Nti Oliver, dia chere say edu ba bia na opese oye nationalistic eye je nyina asem no eba because eda sumu a je nyina sumu eba e kayen coasters say amanfo ajapade say amanfo ntumi nko adwuma mu nya light even titiro radio station for crown amura ne 24-hour economy omu nya light nti containers na ba nyankopon ne da na se ba bia containers ni omu hu ye no omu ma hu na at least say e will be deliberate.
Oh, and containers ni omu so omu hu 860 ewo Meridian Port Services.
Next one sir.
Me pacho.
Okay.
Womo ehu 1237 ewo Ghana Port and Harbours Authority womo terminals.
Okay.
And womo ehu 272 and it has already been evacuated by the national security. Womo 194 ewo Amaris terminal and womo ehu a year 20 Atlas manufacturing terminal.
You see, in some more kind a perfect me no more adwin. But before say omo be announcement say a containers na yara omo do money ko hwe.
I don't ask them.
Who say containers ni go?
I don't know.
It may be men can say omo ye unprofessional and a lazy work. But before so be at the one dance na woni ehun inti ayira ye nanka obehu baabi ayira because e woni pa nsam inti wo de janipa because Meridian services na say port ho abia inti mo hu mo ko chinu wo mo hu na fe ni mo hu e asam sabe inti minia light ne de enyan whether the container has been found or not what we need is the light to keep the light on.
Kofi say what we need is the light and to keep the lights on. As that adope enko ema Divine Hope Herbal Center womo ede otwea herbal powder abadwa so enua ne se wode kakra ebegu nsu one sachet pe wode gu nsu emu ay dede anase nsu hyemu a wonoma eno ano waba ho by afrinya robert says yare ma ene mema mbetumi anom bi obi a so koko how mojabro so ena how waye mre wo mpaso sara so ena gonorrhea na se fo so ma ho ento ohun nsu don agere mutumi ma oba emfafro sara so obi a wonya stroke ulcer and I mentioned the disorders no ya de adrowi na A2 ase eye otwea herbal powder nti for ni akire mu e bia yeton adro bia dodo na opetu abomode na frɛ 0248584687 saranso na A1 borehole drill wo se menkan so betu uzo de ama emfa ho ene size a opɛ sɛ eye small size and big size wo betu ni nyina e de amasan sɛ ye wo emfidi ahodo a ye de etu nsuo ye experts in drilling your main office ewo Kumasi kwada so yesanso ewo office ni bi ewo sehwiase enti ba bia wo ewo sehwiase se open nsu nko ade a frɛ wo mo ewo 0242 706435 and 0593437873 A1 borehole drilling they will drill quality water for you. Eti frɛ na yemetu nsu emfa emma sara so na akwanya abeto ama nkrofo so mo de nkrofo ekɔ Qatar, Kuwait, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, any of the European countries. Say oye bema na so oba na pesa okobia o se wo mfie tumi ekoba 21 between 21 and 38. Wo tenten anamo enum echipo eye enso eno wo ye bema. Anamo enum echipo nsia eno so eye gina ho ema no. So wo obi a wako school kakra na wotumi ekenkan na wotumi twura nka eye. So obeti ase nko ade a. You say, oh, kwa security adwuma ewo Dubai abosome yebema 7,600 okwa abudia yebenya 12,000. Yebema free accommodation, free transport, free medical insurance, 2 years residence permit. I don't be na hwehwe Sana Travel and Tours for ewo Sahibuako main lorry station wo mo eben NDC Parliament. Pharmacy na emma no ejejina ne mu eton bread no ehwa na wo mo ewo into fre 0539525392 and 0246429721 or woso Dr. Herbal Center wo mo na edin ru aba adwaso a eboa etu sisi yare ene koko ase ko Esther kuko wafakisi herbal obenya bi wo flip na fosua Esther ata chemical na afi mat wo nyina ewo adwuna se jeyi mensa ewo sahwiyo so MK Dwamena ewo dwabo so nzawra oboy Francis wo ho nana digo ewo sankore miamia hodo nyina kwa wonsa beka enure me nemu dodo na opetu akokoton dia 0242702662 ana 0545355796 yema etiefo no so akwanya kakra na wo nso entumi emran for margin chebe boy 0536304072 and 0322296342. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Wonkasa. Hello. Okay, I'm say oniano onye crowd say obekasa ewaze. Hello, good morning. Oh. Hello, good morning. Ma'am for NCA 0536304072 and 0322296342. Hello, good morning. Good morning. And then they are some more. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Okay. Mama for NC high na. A man for no friend or more mediums, but I don't know. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
All right, yeah, because I'm here on a pay.
Mamenchia NPP na ohono na menchia DOCO agbegbadu ene was na me come assumption no ibese me kase oman na etimu na eyi nyina aye man so atiase but NDC for ba kware omo faso de ni pe faso na nye fan obi aye boni court ho mfa na court dan se o so le ahmachi na onimre na mo na mkoko fie na mo ye enye sana Canada Japan and 2012 for me you almost NDP for NDP for the bar because of democracy in the Korea and the humanity no and the embra person humanity and NDC for it means I know what 1 hour no they say let's now be ban on and then it's young fire embra kwan so near fanya the enya juma the juma dia the agent ham.
All right, but I say and also what you say yeah here of so had you on so dear. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
I jump at you didn't was him.
Brian Money Benchima.
All right, Brian by you.
You and then Mamenchia NPP Mina or no Namin Samamo Jumapa, the Mamu Mono, ye Naminchia Tiafuna. Na we are Simoyan Peno Crew. Come, I didn't know Peno Crack Cancer. Containers no, and your NPP in the Decasa are yellow. And this is one and the buyer say container Naila. After the one who say container no, I had the Enila in Nasaba. And what the container could go am lemu and I say na as well be an affair. More fire.
Medase, or also Nasam Eddie, I don't know also what the NSA yet. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
I jump at you didn't was some way.
Pasha Tanganeta Kuru. Yo, Edamasino, Pajima Mubama, Magana. At the other person, Mr. Canis, Miniano, also Suhan and Ninkase Dumsaba. Let Dumsona whatever. Dumso, never, not Dumson Kobe, not Dumso or Ghana, Papa, Dine, Kanina, and NPP form person BT. I'm a Minister Crack and say, Yankatan Kofa timetable, Emra. Money energy say, NDC Bar, Suman Nino, and a big Dumsaba. Dumso never hop, the best penny for. So, Monsieur Sanema, we know I idea. ha ni pa je pa sa dada na sa latisi say no e ya dia e boy pa ntom mfa kwan bi so no mmoa na latisi ni nyama o man Ghana.
All right, but I say and also wadwen kire yenti ohofro so e de e wa hai. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Kayasu.
Ajampa che udini wasem why.
Abu Trika ni nyamenai.
All right, Abu Trika yanku yadim.
Kayasu nanu pa mamena wase na mentia chief aproka o boy ma yie pa. Open kese ECG honsem ana energy ministry ana sema nkofo eti Ghana ha to kire Ghana fo no mani nye ho. Hwe musi sa containers ya yira wo Ghana ha si ana ya si you musi mako hubi ewo India fo na nura Peace FM News. Yebisa PRO na baby ko hu ne dia is under investigation and ade ontimi nka de ne poti ade no me hwa hye mo na ho hye mo ntumam enti mo ntimi nka me se NPP ni na nka akofa ade we ya wo no wa na nkofo ko yanya mo charge ko ya so ma na do na container wo dem enti a chichi o mo dada na sa sem we ye nya chidi gise o mo tim ma hu baby anema ne ko diye nya sa ye enti ase mama na wase.
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Mpacha udini wasem why.
Mr. Kofi ni so you saying so.
All right, Mr. Kofi yentiao.
Yo masa mechiao na machia minu ya MPP no ati wan Kofi. Na bra ewiase ya na nipa ho asere papa. NDC masa Wontumi ma MPP enwo. Wontumi control ga ewia Ghana we enkoduru ba bia. NDC hwe ko du ye de bom ye kufuado ye ya ye muamu masa enne obi da ha ye kase se obi ye boni a ye mfre no court wo ho na susuan pa se medam na homachi na e ba be fami bra makum nipa eti de ye no ya memra no o mampani mahama o pese o ye ne e ba wo man we fimu because no anajo MPP mpanifo ana o se ekoso saa no masa e de befie ye hwe amamuo no na yemu mo se dollar ba fom yate crazy aba fom yate we aba fom yate nemum aka ye botum
Mr. Medase. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Mpacha udini wasem why.
No ani muna su minimo tru saboboya.
All right, kasa.
Ndanga sema juma pa mo mai. Go to some no obi 2017 mi ko chi obi ahomachi no da panti mu ready call police station. And ndra se chi obi so a ndi nye asemu ani tuna yebeka. Anti yen hwe ho na yen kan ni ye na dum so na asemu na kai no dum so na da ho da do. Umu se obian drone sound stable. Nti umu timi ndroma obia. Okay, se mobile no umu se anyama sa $50 ba fo mu no. NPP na declare it no to ho. Na dum so no de mo papa no de mo na mo declare it no to na boni no de hwan na mo de tua no. Nti de papa na ye omu de boni so ye omu de.
All right, that's it. Nyame ensure and also so wasem anopai. Yenti ofofro nso ewa ha na yemfa ensi. Yenhwe ne wa say. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Morning, Kayasu.
Ajampacha udini wasem why.
Kayasu ba in road futa.
Yentio.
Kayasu medawase. Ani ni mapa mabona no na me commission so. Yeah. MPP for more than no who maka. Udi mo omochi a ehu. Udi omoni so a ehu. Yesre. Omo masunje na Ghana ha. Because no man na ne boy de ni na MPP for. Ehifa na omo be fastment de koye. Ehifa mo be fire de ani bo de koye. Ona mu de akwakwa sisa. Ja, patro. Ya de tipo so de mo se ye fa ka chere mamu. Do na aba for no. Ye fa ka chere mamu. La se do so abadia enie na na do enyo noa. Enye ba wumia. Ya fre. Ye nya mahama no nya adwuma na adwuma no. Obebu o man mu aye asumdie. Ma ye ho atoye. Ama ye nya ba bi papa tena.
Medase. Ba memfa me last caller ewa ha na yemfa ensi. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Where am I last caller? Your friend say.
I just in our room.
All right, you.
You want to pay the better Mr. Kofi NPP no about mapa. Na machia 2 and 2 hardware. Na machia you electrica any NPP 24 or mobile collection na. Unia o man Ghana no ho. E dipa yen kwa ha o. Hwe ade a enye, I was here ka se enye ne, e kina so enye. Ade tin ye ka na sa. E dipa di bone ye frɛ no. Fine. Na obi na no. Anadu da suma nipa da ade o dwane. Ana wote pay mu. Ke on se na e Kofi e ka se de omo ye no omo kese bi ato ho. Na ya me ya se FP before aya sa ne mu timi ne bi. Ke ye ka se inflation aba from NGC omo je e de mo se fine omo na so omo ne ma within 4 to 5 months no. Na dim so no abade amu se da bi ene de nya mo na NPP ne boto ho. Yes o man Ghana any company for any NGC for inflation aba from near Chinema so no company ne kasa se Chinema so dia any company na pam for yes o inflation aba from o market o mo nteso no from man Ghana.
Thank you. Me de be si e wa ha me mfa ofrefo bia bi me da